are your shoes? Vomitino?
बाजीराव ने मस्तानी से मोहब्बत की है, अय्याशी नहीं.
अपना टाइम आएगा.
Hey, what is this? Wipe it off.
Fine, let's
Now
do
you
it.
know for the last half an hour why I had a chalk and board in my
Oh
hand
man.
for that fucking joke.
भाई पता है, ये chalk and board देख के I was like, hi, my name is Snail.
Abbas,
these are my
yeah,
problems.
Yes, of course, Slate. This is
I'm 6'1".
also the lowest budget production you'll ever be a part of. This is the worst Slate imaginable.
Bro, but genuinely अगर
This
आप,
is a slate?
Bro, अगर आप
I've had better slates.
तो
No,
आप
this is-
तो
this is-
दो या तो आपको चौक वाली मिलती है या तो
हाँ,
आपको व्हाइट के
white
ऊपर
board,
मार्कर
correct.
वाली मिलती है. तो लाइक
Yes.
यहाँ पे आपका
White board
6'1"
ज़्यादा
ये वो सब
Correct,
लिखा
correct.
बड़ा
Hello and welcome to
बड़ा
another.
टाइम आएगा.
अपना
Actually,
time
wipe
आएगा,
it
yes.
off, no?
Oh, अब यार अब बहुत टाइम लगेगा. Okay, it's wiped it off, guys. Yes, that's like magic. No, I just turned it around. Welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation. My name is Anshul Thakur, joined by
Snail and Neja.
and
Abbas moment.
guys, we
Yes,
have
he's still here, guys.
Yeah,
we're still
wow.
here. We have hit it both the big time and the lowest lows in our life with the last episode that just went out.
swear.
Our Dhurandhar review is, dude, it's. I don't know whether people like us or hate the review.
Bro,
or
they hate
is-
us.
Bro, they love us. What are you talking about?
It's a lot of both in both extremes.
जो hate करते हैं वो हमारे fans नहीं हैं और जो
No, haters will start loving us. We
Yeah,
need new
probably.
haters because
yeah, few haters
the old
who
ones
stayed back to
start
hate
loving
us
us.
more.
I think by-
भाई I'll tell हम लोग इससे पहले यही बात कर रहे थे. Like when I slept, I was at like 71 comments. I woke up at fucking 290 comments.
Yeah,
and I'm
insane.
like, wait, what
Crazy,
the fuck
dude.
has happened? And then I scroll and I'm like, oh, abuse is nice.
But dude, like I think we have also inevitably, okay, or unintentionally happened upon a format that is crazy.
Crazy, yes.
Which is
I
the
agree.
2:1, where two of us have seen a movie and
And
one
Abbas
of us has
hasn't.
not. And
Haan.
usually 90%, 99%.
That is what happens usually.
I think there was once where I hadn't or something. I forgot which movie it was.
That was 120 Bahadur and that we didn't release.
Oh, so you guys don't know.
Homebound also.
हाँ,
And Homebound also, yes.
Yeah.
But in that same episode, we talked about Sunny Sanskari.
Yeah,
हाँ.
That was the more longer. But anyway, turns out is a format that is super fun for us
Fun,
to do
yes.
and for you guys to watch. So
View,
you do look out for a lot more of that. That'll be really fun. What are we doing today, guys? A big episode. Ranveer, amazing actor, killing it in Dhurandhar.
कौन सा वाला? अच्छा, Ranveer.
Ranveer Singh, Mr. Singh.
Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh. Yes. That ad also was hilarious.
Crazy.
I
भाई
love
उसकी
that ad.
filmography में लिखा है वो ad.
That makes sense, dude. That absolutely makes sense. Why should it not be? Bobby की भी लिखना होना चाहिए. Ranveer killing it with Dhurandhar. Dhurandhar has the time when we are recording this, it has reached about 160 crores
CR, dude, and it's just
counting.
4 days.
That is wild.
अभी चौथा दिन चल रहा है मतलब.
Is it the fastest like to
नहीं,
160 in this year?
I doubt. मतलब मुझे नहीं पता. Like I don't know.
Okay.
क्या है क्या नहीं है.
Okay, fair
But हो सकता है fastest हो.
Okay. And Ranbir Kapoor, now having his last movie having been Animal, which is an all-time blockbuster
Animal
now.
के बाद कोई film नहीं करी उसने.
अभी तक नहीं
I
की.
don't think so, no.
No. Two Jhuti was before that.
2023 December.
3 December.
Yeah. So we are still waiting on the
Oh
next.
fuck.
Ranveer
हाँ.
movie,
Next
which
one is gonna be
Love and War.
Love and War or
वो लग रही
Ramayana.
है. Love and War लग रही है मेरे को तो. It seems like.
No, Ramayana is releasing Diwali next year, right? 2026.
And Love and
But
War
Part
is?
1.
Love and War is I think before Diwali. That's but अभी तक. But then it's Bansali. He can like be like कि
You can speed it up if he wants.
no. Easily he can like push it forward.
Oh, push it. हाँ वो तो करी.
ऑलरेडी अभी भाई ये अभी
वो तो
दिसंबर में
रामायण भी
रिलीज
हो
होनी
सकती है वैसे.
नहीं दिसंबर में रिलीज होनी थी लव एंड वॉर अभी एज वी
Oh, really?
स्पीकिंग या
अभी तो फोटोज आते रहते हैं कि शूट चल रहा है.
हाँ
ये चल
तो
रहा है, वो-
वही तो कह रहा हूँ फिर उसने अभी आई थिंक उसको जून में पुश किया है एंड बंसाली बिंग बंसाली वो आगे भी पुश कर सकता है.
Okay. So I would say from this generation of actors, two of the finest for
Yes.
sure. And an endless debate, an all-time debate is who is actually better.
बेटर रणवीर और
Ranveer
रणवीर.
or Ranveer. We'll get to it as soon as Abbas gets done with his.
I was checking the release date right now. It's
Oh, okay.
slated for 14th August 2026. Love and War.
14th August 2026.
Yeah.
One day before Independence Day, man.
Yeah.
Love and
हाँ मतलब वो क्योंकि उसमें दोनों वो बने हैं ना
Yeah, correct.
एयर पायलट अपना वो एयर फोर्स पायलट फाइटर.
Oh, is it? It seems like if both are Air Force pilots, it could be like Pearl Harbor types vibes. Right?
Probably. I don't
Is
know.
it a love triangle?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
haven't watched.
But
Pearl Harbor.
hopefully better than Pearl Harbor.
Yeah, Michael Bay to do Basins. So yeah, to the finest, but who is actually better? This is the
Yes.
episode that will decide it all for you.
Also, because we don't talk about them at all in our recasting.
In our
episode.
recasting
dude.
episodes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. We have for those who don't know, if you're a first-time viewer, thank you, welcome to the channel. Please join our membership if you like this episode. But also, usually we do a recasting series also where we recast popular, iconic movies with more current day or present day actors. And in that, there is a rule that no Ranbir or Ranveer allowed because it feels like a cheat code.
Yeah,
it feels
because
like
they can fit in any character.
yeah, we would want them in every movie because we like them all so both of them so much.
The easiest
And Alia also is the
Jai
rule.
Viru casting of all time.
Yeah,
Ranveer.
Ranveer Alia is basically the rule.
कॉमेडी कौन
Right
करेगा?
now.
रणवीर कर लेगा.
Yeah,
रोमांटिक रणवीर कर लेगा रोमांटिक.
yeah. So guys, let's go. How do you want to do this? We have some categories where you want to follow.
So देखो, obviously there is no way कि हम लोग मतलब you know पूरा वो दे पाए ब्रेकडाउन कि कैसा है कैसा नहीं, तो हमने कुछ कैटेगरीज बनाई है जो कि है डेब्यू दोनों का कंपेयर किया जाएगा, दोनों की
कितनी
सबसे बड़ी
range है, acting
range
talent
कितनी
कितना
है.
है.
True.
Okay, गाने किसके better हैं? Sorry, go ahead. I'm helping you.
अंतरिक्ष भाई बोलते हैं, हम किन चीजों में बात करेंगे, फिर मैं बोलने लगता हूँ, फिर वो खुद ही बताने लग जाते
Yeah,
हैं.
तो it's a to and fro,
हाँ,
guys.
नहीं,
It's a
नहीं,
dance.
तो आपने
It's a
जब
dance.
लिखे हुए तो बता दो ना, मेरे को क्या स्पॉट पे डाल ले.
Sorry. Fair, guys. Fair. That's fair.
And also the ultimate criteria, whose dick is bigger.
Oh, that's mine, guys. Sorry. Range and acting talent, strength and fortes. We'll talk about
अब्बास
weaknesses.
अब्बास एक एपिसोड में ऐसा आता है कि आज मैं झोला लेकर आया हूँ इंटेलेक्चुअल, ठीक है, फिर
हम तो
अगले
झोला लेगा, हम तो
फिर
फकीर आदमी हैं.
अगले एपिसोड में किसका लंड बड़ा होगा, क्या लगता है? There is no in between.
Yeah.
We're going to talk about their general philosophy. We'll talk about their filmographies. Talk about their filmographies in general. And then beyond acting, beyond the world of acting, like in ads and interviews.
Yes.
Public persona.
PR,
Controversies.
PR, social media.
What they're like. And much more.
Who's a worse husband?
Yeah, we have. Great. That's a great discussion, dude. I didn't think of that, man. Oh, dude, that's gonna be hilarious, dude.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? हम में से कौन दीपिका और कौन आलिया है भाई? हम कैसे बताएंगे कौन
भाई,
कैसा
but
खराब
मैं
husband है?
शादीशुदा हूँ. I can tell.
And today
at
in
12.
a few hours.
Go ahead. I know what I gotta say.
क्या हाँ भाई, आज सुबह तक तो इसको याद नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं बोलने नहीं वाला था, इसने मुझे याद दिला
Yes,
दिया.
of course.
Dude, so हम लोग अभी जैसे अभी वो आ जाएगा, क्रिसमस टाइम आ जाएगा, ही इज गोना गो ऑन अ ट्रिप अपना एनिवर्सरी फर्स्ट ईयर सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, हम लोग न्यू ईयर के लिए अपने अपने घर जाएंगे. तो हम लोग सोच रहे थे स्टार्टिंग में कुछ एपिसोड्स बैंक कर ले ताकि वीक्स मिस ना हो. तो हम लोग सुबह डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि आज 2 रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं बैक टू बैक, कल 2 रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं बैक टू बैक. एंड देन ही इज लाइक हाँ, क्योंकि परसों से तो मेरी एनिवर्सरी है तो मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगा. एंड देन अब्बास गोज, अंतरिक्ष तेरी एनिवर्सरी कल नहीं है. एंड देन ही इज लाइक नहीं परसों है. एंड देन आई एम लाइक, आई एम आल्सो लाइक साइडिंग विद अंतरिक्ष कि हाँ यार उसी वो पति है, उसी की होगी. आई एम लाइक हाँ भाई अब्बास है, परसों ही होगी.
हाँ, हम तभी गए थे
हाँ,
आपकी
तो
शादी में.
मैं फुल अपना सिनेरियोस बना रहा हूँ. 9th को मैं ड्राइव कर रहा था, 10th को तो हम शादी में थे, ये कर रहे हैं वो कर रहे हैं. एंड देन अब्बास कम्स इन विद लाइक अ बॉम्ब एंड इज लाइक कि पर मेरा ब्रेकअप उस दिन हुआ था.
I broke up the day Antariksh got married.
Yeah, and that's why I didn't make it to the wedding. That's
इसलिए मुझे पता है
Yeah,
कि
मेरी एक प्लेट बच गई थी पता एक्स्ट्रा खाने की बुफे में.
एंड देन अंतरिक्ष गोज, रुको गाइस मुझे कीर्ति से पूछ के आने दो.
And now that's become a talking point.
Yeah.
As to,
क्या
you
बात
don't
कर रहे हो?
remember our anniversary? I mean,
Anniversary.
obviously, it's a given. But yeah,
But nice.
9th or 10th.
Turns out anniversary कल ही है. तो
9th of December. Yeah.
Yeah,
So I was right about my
breakup
and
yeah,
his
and his
wedding.
anniversary, yes.
Okay, so all that to begin with. Okay, just off the bat, do you prefer one over the other, Ranbir or Ranveer?
There are factors that I prefer. There are factors. मतलब I know कि मुझे इन factors के लिए ये actor पसंद है, इन factors
Okay.
के
So
लिए वो.
I used to. If you ask me to pick one, I would pick Ranbir.
Okay.
But a couple of weeks ago, we did the Ranbir Hall of Fame. Tried to do the Ranbir Hall of Fame, right? And then when I went through the filmographies of both of them, I realized probably maybe we'll find out today.
Yes.
Probably Ranveer has made slightly better movies. More like, the number of movies that are better fall more for Ranveer than they do for Ranbir. And probably Ranveer has slightly more range, I feel.
Okay, I
But
would say
superstar quality, I still think is more for Ranbir Kapoor.
the superstar quality maybe, but I think superstardom they are both close to it, if not
Yeah,
there already.
yeah, of course.
Firstly, if I can say one thing, I think Ranveer is slightly more personable. I feel he would be a cooler hang, a chiller hang, and
Ranveer.
less awkward of a Singh will be a less awkward of a hang.
Yeah.
So shall we
You know?
just go like
So I would
Singh
like
and Kapoor and not Ranveer?
Yeah, the entire audience like at 1 hour 33 minutes.
आपने
Which
रणवीर
one?
बोला कि
बोला?
रणवीर बोला? सोचो दीपिका कमेंट कर रही है कि रणवीर बोला कि रणवीर बोला.
Yeah,
Guys,
wait,
please tell they're losing their mind.
wait, Ranveer is a good husband or Ranveer is a good husband? I don't know. Yeah, okay, Singh and Kapoor or full names. We'll go with full names.
हाँ, तो I feel versatility wise, I think Ranveer takes it
Oh, so
by
we all
a mile
okay,
and
okay.
a half.
Okay, that's interesting.
Ranbir is an ace actor. I feel he's, I think, the best actor when it comes to our industry right now in like the current lot that we have. But I feel कि कहीं पे वो versatility में जो है वो मात खा जाता है. मतलब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपको इंटेंस रोमांटिक रोल देना है किसी को, आंख बंद करके रणबीर को दे सकते हो आप.
Okay.
But for example, Ranbir probably cannot pull off like a Khilji or a Bajirao or but a Ranveer can pull off like an animal sort of a situation.
I get what you're saying. It seems like Ranveer
Like
कैरेक्टर में और घुल जाता है.
हाँ.
रणबीर का रणबीरनेस दिखता है.
Like मुझे
Is
फॉर
that right to
एग्जांपल अगर आप उसकी बात भी करो, अगर ये तो चलो रियल लाइफ कैरेक्टर्स थे जिनको रणवीर ने कैरेक्टर को पकड़ने की कोशिश करी, जैसे संजू में उसने करी, जैसे बैंड बाजा बारात भी है फॉर तो आई फील रणबीर कैन नॉट लाइक ही कुड ऑब्वियसली बट देन आई थिंक ही विल नॉट सूट इन दैट
Delhi accent.
नॉट डेली एक्सेंट बट दैट केयरफ्री कि अरे भाई ब्रेड पकौड़ी का समझा के रोना यार क्या समझ रहा तू लाइक दैट ब्रो रणबीर.
No, I think the thing is,
ब्रो रणवीर ने
Because
इतना
रणवीर ने
बड़ी
थोड़े
no,
धक्के
that
खाए.
character I think Ranbir can pull.
no bro
Yeah.
so
it will be a different
It'll be a
kind of
different,
character.
yeah मतलब the thing is
But
कि
yeah.
रणवीर pulled it off so well that people started thinking कि वो दिल्ली से है.
हाँ.
That's true.
मतलब वो
Dude, I've forever been impressed that Ranveer has played like multiple Delhi boys, and each time it's a different type of
Slightly
Delhi boy.
Yeah, dude.
Which I really like. I don't even think that one person would be capable of something like that.
Yeah, for you all Delhi people are the same. Right?
Yeah, dude. Snehal is my
point of reference.
Prototype Delhi. By the way, you were right. He's a chill guy to hang out with. Yeah, I've hung out with Ranveer Singh.
Wow, who is that man?
That is
A full head of hair. dude.
Full head of hair and no beard.
मतलब it would have been better अगर आप नहीं निकालते.
ये please screen पे डाल देना.
दिखा,
जगह.
वापस दिखा मेरे को.
Oh bro. विश्वास तो नहीं हो रहा.
This is just after Band Baja Barat came
This is
out.
after man. Oh, he has a wise guy T-shirt.
Yeah.
And wow, dude, you look different, man. I can't even put my finger on what the difference is, dude. Is it no beard? Yeah, no
The
beard.
hair, the no
Complete
beard.
shaven. Complete.
The slim, what do you call? Body
Slim?
type.
No, dude.
हाँ, इससे compared to
जैसा
slim.
जॉ लाइन तो नहीं है.
अब पूरा एल्बम देख के मत बैठ जा मैं
इतने
अरे
क्यों-
स्वाइप मत करो अंतरिक्ष
पर
भाई.
इतने क्यों है तेरे पास? ये अनुराग कश्यप के
ये हम
साथ.
लोग गए थे गर्ल इन द येलो बूट्स के प्रीमियर में.
ओ, कल्की के साथ है तेरा.
हाँ.
What?
इम्तियाज अली.
इम्तियाज अली?
Yeah.
What is this,
अब्बास
Abbas?
टायर वाला भी होगा.
Bro, Kabir
कबीर
Bedi.
बेदी.
What the fuck, dude? I had no idea about this, man.
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing,
This is
dude.
2012, I think. 2012 or 13.
Hey, you got with Abhinav Kashyap and Anurag Kashyap together, bro.
Oh, is that Abhinav
Yeah,
Kashyap?
bro.
Oh, yeah,
Huh?
fuck.
Holy shit.
I had no idea. I had a picture.
Oh, shit, dude.
That's the other Abbas Star wala. Anurag Kashyap and Abhinav Kashyap.
That's crazy, dude.
उसने आपको लगाया क्या?
नहीं, तूने उसको Hello.
Fuck, I had no idea. Oh, yeah.
Handsome.
Abhinav Kashyap.
Crazy, dude. Wait. What was that thing you just told us about Abhinav Kashyap saying something?
No. So he was again on some other podcast. Where
And
the-
yet another
podcast where
where
the
he's
ho-
dissing the
where
same
the
person.
host is saying that Salman is saying that you should stop giving podcasts
Yeah,
or
Big Boss
whatever.
made it, yeah.
वरना आप सड़क पे आ जाओगे.
हाँ.
तो he's like अरे नहीं वो सड़क पे इसलिए लाना चाहता था कि वो अपनी गाड़ी चला सके मेरे ऊपर.
That is so funny, dude. That is damn funny.
Yeah.
That is hilarious. Okay. fine.
Anyway, coming back to Ranbir and Ranveer.
Yeah, wow. Abbas, you're best friends with
Yeah, my
Ranveer
best
Singh,
friends.
dude.
Yeah,
That's
true,
fucking
true,
amazing.
yes. Ranbir I've never met. But Ranveer was
Whoa,
actually,
little guys, let me show you.
bro, जब ये फोटो
Really
मैंने
crazy.
दिखाया था ना अपनी बहन को, तो कह रही थी ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो तेरा फैन है जिस तरह से उसने अपना heart
Bro, so yeah,
Nice.
I think
Definitely more
that's-
personable, that's what
I think that's the part of वो जैसे शाहरुख के साथ है ना, like एक वो exclusivity शाहरुख ने बना के रखी हुई है. I think that also works in favor of रणबीर. जैसे वो रणबीर कि सोशल मीडिया पे नहीं है, उतने कैजुअल फैन इंटरैक्शंस नहीं करता, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा, थोड़ा रिजर्व्ड रहता है. जैसे उसने एक अभी रिसेंटली जब सारे सेलिब्रिटीज वो शादी पे गए थे, तो उसका एक क्लिप वायरल हो रहा है कि मैं कभी पैसे के लिए शादी पे नहीं नाचूंगा, मैंने फादर को प्रॉमिस किया है, ये कुछ ऐसे करके रणबीर का कि मैं एक एक्टर हूँ, मैं ये हूँ, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. सो आई थिंक द एक्सक्लूसिविटी दैट ही हैज मेंटेन्ड आल्सो वर्क्स टुवर्ड्स द मिस्टीक एंड द वांट ऑफ रणबीर.
That's true. That
Like-
you look, I feel like there is more hype when a Ranbir movie comes out at this stage than
because
a
you don't
Ranveer
see
film. Yeah,
much
fair.
of Ranbir otherwise,
yeah.
and that's the classic marketing strategy of Shahrukh.
Less is more. Yeah, that's what. Yeah.
ऐसे ही
Yeah, I
जॉर्डन
would-
के प्राइसेस
So,
बढ़
but
जाते हैं.
again, like what has happened in the last few years, Ranveer has tried to adapt that also because
He
he has
has
seen
tried to, yes.
his overexposure has backfired. in
bro,
some
he's
way.
commenting on every Deepika picture.
पर वो तो करेंगे
Bro, अब वो तो मतलब यार, I think
अब पूरा जीरो तो नहीं expect कर
he
सकते रणवीर
actually
से.
spoke about it on the Coffee with Karan episode also कि मतलब with the clothes
Very lied
and
about how he
everything.
met Deepika.
और अनुष्का, you never know.
I think Deepika, dude. If he's met Anushka first, clearly
हाँ,
he had
ठीक
that
है,
story first.
हाँ,
Obviously,
fair.
Deepika is the line.
Or it could be the Europe story, the Joey Europe story.
Yeah, he just tell that to every girl to get
you
laid.
just
dude.
tell that to everyone.
Oh, you are amazing.
But anyway, so yes, that's my take on Ranbir and Ranveer. I think अगर intense romantic romance प्यार और aggression वाले roles हैं, I think that's more Ranbir. But versatility wise अगर आप जाना चाहो तो Ranveer can pull off those and more.
Oh yeah. Do you both have a favorite film of each of theirs?
Of course, yeah.
And how do those two films stack against each other?
So,
Oh नहीं मैं सोच रहा हूँ, आप बोलो.
for Ranveer, I think it's a toss-up between either Lutera or Band Baja Barat.
Okay.
I also like Gully Boy, but actually I was just thinking about it. Can Ranveer pull
Can
off Gully
Ranveer do
Boy?
a gully boy?
I
Yeah.
don't think so.
Ranbir cannot do. I don't. At least he hasn't yet, so we can't see him in that. None of us can.
Yeah,
the three of us
probably
definitely
not.
can't. Yeah.
But a
Fair.
favorite film, I think for Ranveer, I'd still pick Band Baja Barat. I think that's still
Band
my
Baja
favorite
Barat's
of
great.
his. And
Yeah.
for Ranveer,
Ranveer, I
मेरे को
think,
सोचना
has-
पड़ेगा रणबीर के लिए. What's like a good Ranbir film? It's a film that didn't work, which I've mentioned before also, which is again his debut film, which was Savarya.
Savarya, yeah.
Where I still think he's the most innocent. He's the most.
But that's your favorite Ranbir film?
I can't think of any
Bro,
other film
Barfi,
right now.
Rockstar.
Sure, actually, yeah. Let's go with Barfi.
Yeah, so
Rockstar not so.
I
Rockstar
think
don't
I
like.
think I will also go for Barfi. Bro, that one scene where he's trying to explain
yeah.
that
Without
is
words.
that is absolutely crazy. Like see, जब बर्फी आई थी बहुत लोगों ने उसको क्रिटिसाइज किया था कि यहाँ से कॉपी किया, वहाँ से कॉपी किया, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. आई थिंक वी स्पोक अबाउट इट ऑन द रणबीर हॉल ऑफ फेम आल्सो.
Yeah.
बट बर्फी आई थिंक हैज टू बी देयर,
Right up there for sure.
right up there.
Yeah.
And I
But
don't
also like his best film or is like the film that he is, the best actor
Bro.
need not be your favorite film.
हाँ नहीं, but I think it is Barfi for me.
Okay.
Barfi में I think he's performed the best according to me. Like a lot of people will say Animal or probably Sanju because उसने character पकड़ा बहुत अच्छे से. But I think it's probably gonna be Barfi for me. Yes.
Guys, Dhurandhar and Animal for me, guys. Easy enough, man. What the fuck? What are you guys fucking thinking for?
If you watch those two films back to back, that's your entire day.
हाँ bro.
It's 8 hours of
yeah,
your
for sure.
time.
Both of them are like over 3 hours, right?
Yeah.
Dude, that's wild.
और धुरंधर की तो एक part
तो
आनी
थोड़ा
है
तो
अभी.
shorter बना सकते हो. I know Dhurandhar. Also, I must say, from just comparing those two films in
Yeah.
particular, Dhurandhar and Animal, Dhurandhar, I felt the time way lesser than I felt
Animal.
it.
I
Bro,
agree.
Animal में तो there were a lot of unnecessary
Yeah, for sure.
fight scenes, killings,
Yeah,
gory, जबरदस्ती का.
Yeah.
वो तो चलो I've probably have had this debate with a lot of people since Dhurandhar has come out, where people are like कि धुरंधर में तो तेरे को weird नहीं लग रहा violence, and I'm like क्योंकि वो justified है, वो बता रहा है terrorist है, वो spy है, etc etc. तो इसमें तो रैंडमली क्यों मार रहा है 300 लोग को भाई वो ये फाइट सीक्वेंस तुम 20 लोग में भी खत्म कर सकते थे फिर गन भी आनी है फिर वो भी फावड़ा भी आना है एक्स भी आना है एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा बट एनीवे yeah
but non serious answer.
but
if I had
there
to
are
give.
actually very a lot of similarities
for sure.
between
Yeah.
Animal and Dhurandhar, the look, the one song
which is not in Hindi.
which always
Middle
No,
Eastern song.
If you just go by even like the gore.
Yeah.
Animal started a type of gore, and I think Dhurandhar takes it up a notch
A
from
notch,
there.
yeah, huh.
Because otherwise, every other movie was looking like the animal level of gore.
Yeah.
Dhurandhar is luckily at least trying to go up. So both
with
movies are
actually
in a sense
proper
important.
reasoning also.
Yeah, dude. Dhurandhar makes sense.
Yeah.
Like at least it doesn't seem the action does not seem alien from the world. Like
Yeah.
what is happening.
Yeah,
I get it.
yeah.
Yes,
Where Animal, it was just like okay, एक scene introduce कर दिया, and it was a badass scene, but still it was what it was. Okay, if I had to actually say seriously what my two favorite films from, favorite film of each of theirs is, for Ranbir, I would say Wake Up Sid. I really like.
Oh yeah.
I really have watched it a lot,
Wake Up Sid to
and I feel like it's
Why
very.
did I think of
It's one of those. It's one of those feel good films that I'll just throw
आप
on.
सलमान
Yeah,
नहीं
can
हो कि
I-
एक बार जो कमिटमेंट कर दी उसके बाद तो मैं
I
change
would
it, bro.
like to change my answer. Not Murphy Wake Up Sid
Why?
actually.
Oh shit! गलत आंसर दे दिया यार. Shit.
Shoot your wrong answer दे दिया यार.
अब मुझे सलमान बुलाता रहेगा
Shit. You do look like current Abhinav Kashyap a little bit also. Yes.
Okay, and Ranveer?
That and Ranveer, I love the slice of life feel good Dil Dhadakne Do. I have seen so many times. I think Ranveer.
but Dil Dhadakne
I know,
Do is
I
not a
know, I
Ranveer
know.
film.
It is an ensemble film for sure.
But he does
he,
his
he
best.
does
stands
a
out, for
great
sure.
job, and he is a very natural
Yeah.
acting Ranveer that we had not seen till
Correct,
that
yeah.
point.
Bro, so like a lot of people from my family, they are like कि we fully see you doing the Ranveer thing that he does when he like वो पूरा आउटबर्स्ट नहीं होता उसका मैं आपसे भी बात कर रहा हूँ like कि जिस दिन तू अपनी फैमिली को कन्फ्रंट करेगा तू यही हरकतें करेगा क्योंकि तू इतना भरा हुआ है
Fair. Yeah.
ओ ये तो ट्रॉमा निकल गया
Yeah, I
थोड़ा
was
सा,
like,
shit.
are you
Fuck,
proud
sorry,
of that?
dude.
I have that- I have
मैं
that
जोक की तरह बोलना
Yeah,
चाह
bro.
रहा
I have that conversation with my dad every other day. अपना टाइम आएगा. देख रहा तुम. Okay. ठीक है. Since we have already gotten into it, who do you think?
Can I add one thing though? I think Ranbir could have pulled off that role, the Dil Dhadakne Do role.
Yeah, fair.
हाँ
I
दैट
agree
दैट
with that.
वही
That
मैं
I
कह रहा हूँ
get,
भाई
that I get.
ऐसे रोल वो कर लेता है स्लाइस ऑफ लाइफ हो गया रोमांस हो
yeah.
गया
Yeah.
अपना एग्रेशन हो गया ये वो कर लेता है
Do you think is that why he hasn't tried these roles? Like, or actually he did try that YRF का that double role movie where his dad also वो भी है.
भाई
क्या था?
शमशेरा उसने
शमशेरा,
ट्राई करी
हाँ,
थी
correct.
उसने बेशरम ट्राई करी थी विच टैंक्ड बेशरम में ही ट्राइड टू डू दैट कॉमेडी ही ट्राई टू रिक्रिएट व्हाट
Who was the director of
अजब प्रेम की
बेशरम?
गजब कहानी
But
अभिनव कश्यप भी तो है हाँ oh fuck bro he is omnipresent
this is the Abhinav Kashyap episode.
Yeah, is the Abhinav
तो
Kashyap.
बेशरम में उसने वो ट्राई किया था जो उसने अजब री गजब कहानी में ट्राई अजब री गजब कहानी इज द ओनली कॉमेडी इश
Slapstick kind of.
रोल जो मुझे याद आता है व्हेन इट कम्स टू
Sanju. A
It's
large
not a
part.
comedy.
संजू वाज नॉट
Sanju, a
कॉमेडी
large part of he is there is a lot of
No,
humor.
that's the Raju Irani flavor. That's not comedy.
ऐसे तो तू देखेगा तो ये जवानी है दीवानी में भी he's playing playful.
Yeah, fair.
But then
like,
वही है ना एक कबीरा तो है ही ना at the end
correct.
of the
So
day.
I do agree. It does feel like there's
That is
certain
the
kind of film.
Shahrukh more than when Shahrukh played a romantic hero, he did a lot of comedy in those roles
That's,
also.
yeah, true.
But
you're
his
right.
main thing was romance.
All right, then coming to the categories that we have thought of.
Yes.
The debuts. Do you think one had a stronger debut than the other?
Yes, of course.
100%.
For sure.
For
without
sure.
doubt, without
Like
doubt. Both huge banners, वैसे.
Bansali and
Yeah.
YRF.
Yeah.
I mean,
And of course, Savaria is the better film, right?
yeah, clearly.
पता है, for some reason I actually enjoy Savaria.
Yeah, even I enjoy
no, I find it
Savaria.
very.
Like I enjoy Savaria. I'm not saying कि बैंड बाजा बारात से better लगती है मुझे Savaria, but मुझे Savaria खराब नहीं लगती.
But definitely less rewatchable, not as rewatchable as Band Baja Barat.
The Band Baja Barat
I
did not have as much hype. I remember thoda hype tha. Also, this was YRF had done that little thing na where they had this sub-label for young films, youth films. Y films करके हाँ. Band Baja Barat was the first
Bunty Babi.
film under Y films.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, they did a couple of films which were under that. ये थी फिर वो एक Love Ka the End type films they did under
Oh,
these.
okay.
तो Anushka had more hype than Ranveer at this point.
अनुष्का का तो डेब्यू हो चुका था ना, because obviously
And-
Yeah, yeah.
correct.
शाहरुख
She had made her mark with an Aditya Chopra film. So obviously people were more hyped about her performance. Ranveer was kind of like the underdog. They didn't know who this guy is, where is he coming from.
Yeah.
So I remember Band Baja Barat was word of mouth success. पहले
Fair,
दो
yeah,
तीन
that
दिन
makes sense.
इतनी big opening नहीं मिली थी and then it picked up. Whereas I mean stacks were really against Ranbir Kapoor because he had
Again,
Om Shanti
Om
Om going
Shanti
against
Om,
him.
yeah.
And it was like, oh, Rishi Kapoor's son, Raj Kapoor's grandson, Sanjay Leela Bhansali after Devdas.
And after
So-
watching Om Shanti Om also, you realize, dude, that's...
And bro,
an
another
unmissable
debut,
film.
another
Can't miss that.
debut with Deepika.
Correct.
Deepika, yeah, correct.
Like
yeah.
three
Who's
people,
relevant to both these people? Ah, dude.
three people debuted on the same day.
Yeah.
Sonam, Deepika, and Ranbir.
Correct, yeah, yeah. So yeah, I mean clearly debut Ranveer wins the
Ranveer
debut
wins,
round.
I would say, for sure.
But Savar is a good film. I like.
Yeah, even I like it. But I
it. And
think
he's good in it. Ranveer is good in it.
banger album also, bro. I really like the album.
Actually, come to think of it, the movie did not succeed, but then he made a mark with the towel dance
That's
and
true.
with
Yeah.
all his personality.
And he,
everything.
The
everyone...
butt crack.
Sure.
क्या?
Yeah, the butt
Bro, that was the
butt crack.
Yeah,
Oh.
वही तो
butt
था
crack.
टाल.
I thought he said butt crack. I'm like, what? He was on crack or something, dude?
No, that was.
That makes sense.
Some
That
say
makes
he
sense.
still might.
Yeah,
be. I'm not
especially
saying anything.
when you're doing on stage. That's definitely what you're on, dude. What are you talking about?
Like Auntie B.I. double T double O. Bro, that's my favorite
Yeah.
dialogue from Band Baja Barat, bro. ये
double O.
बेटा तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Auntie Bittu B.I. double T double O. Bro, that's such a natural Janakpuri thing that you would do. I come from that area. I know people who do this.
Nice, dude. Auntie Snail, Sneh and HILL. प्यार से हिल बोलो. So stupid.
Bro, you remember that one thing completely off topic in Dev D, where he's sitting on in the bus. हाँ वो करता है. फिर वो भी तो है ना, यहाँ लिखा रहता है महिलाएं किसी ने मुंह काट दिया.
Bro, that's such a
Yes,
common
correct,
fucking joke.
correct.
I think everybody has a picture in their phone जहाँ पे वो मुंह के ऊपर पैर रख के खड़े हुए हैं और ऊपर लिखा है केवल हिलाए.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so debuts is done. Who do you think has a better filmography in general then? Like, okay, if you talk about the next 5 years after their debuts, what each of them did. Okay, for instance, if you talk about Ranbir, whose filmography I have open in front of me, Savarya, then Detours of Love तो नहीं है, बचना है हसीनो.
लुटेरा
But
है.
I always
Oh,
get,
ladies.
yeah, बचना है हसीनो, Wake Up Sid, अजब प्रेमी गजब कहानी, Rocket Singh, राजनीति, अनजाना अनजानी, and then Rockstar and Barfi. That's till 2012. So that's his first 5 years. That's an incredible 5 years, dude.
Yeah, bro, that's crazy 5
That
years,
is
dude.
amazing, dude.
And 5 या 6th year में बर्फी करी होगी फिर उसने, क्योंकि रॉकस्टार के जस्ट नेक्स्ट ईयर ही तो आई थी बर्फी.
हाँ वही Rockstar के बाद Barfi 2012. I'm including that. Till 2012
अच्छा.
I'm including. And then after that is also some iconic films, dude. But then next year was also Besharam. Okay. So what do you think?
Go to.
what do you think
I mean,
of the
this
first
is
5
pretty
years?
strong, but
Yeah.
if you go to Ranveer's filmography also,
Yeah.
that's also not bad.
Yeah.
So he has Band Baja Barat,
Yeah.
which is followed up by Ladies vs Ricky Bell, which was whatever.
Okay.
Bro, नहीं,
Okay.
लेडीज की बेल काफी स्वैगर फिल्म थी.
Okay, what do you
Didn't
like
do
more?
that
Bachna,
well, though.
Bachna or Ladies?
That's a good question.
Bro, I would go for ladies, bro.
You go for Ladies?
Bro, I'll always go
I like
for
the songs of Ladies a little more, by the way. I do like
And that
songs.
one fucker band ka.
Ladies of Ricky Bell is definitely the John Tucker Must Die of the Indian
I
version
mean,
of...
it must be.
Bro, ladies
based
vs
on
Ricky
that.
Bell में तो I wanted I didn't want the love angle to fucking play out.
You want the
dude.
ladies to win?
I wanted Ricky Bell to win, bro.
Oh, अच्छा ऐसा बोल रहा है.
I didn't want कि वो मतलब सब हार हूर के सब छोड़ के बैठ
प्यार में
जाता
लग
है
जाए,
कि
हाँ.
हाँ मैं अब जॉब करूंगा. अबे तू कॉनमैन है, कॉनमैन रहना बे, तू क्या.
हाँ, तो way more fun.
मैंने
job.
देखी
Yeah,
नहीं
it's a-
है
it's a
Ladies
very
vs Ricky Bell. I've only seen बचना है हसीनो.
Okay,
Oh,
that's fine.
yeah.
But
Okay.
yeah, like time pass तो देख सकते हैं.
Bro,
ऐसा
but
okay,
yeah,
what,
it's Lady vs Ricky Bell is also Parini Chopra's debut.
Okay.
It is, yeah, correct. And she was the lead,
Was it
right? The
not
main lead.
Ishaq Zadeh?
No.
Oh fuck, second film.
Then is Lutera in 2013. I think one of his
Banger,
best performances. Then Goliyon ki Rasleela Ramleela, which is also
banger.
another banger.
What the fuck, bro?
Okay. Then Gunde.
Bro,
okay,
but
okay.
still not.
Yeah,
Matlab it is.
I mean,
it
it
is
is still-
bad.
Not
no,
vomiting,
but you can,
no.
but you
It is-
can, but still watchable. Still watchable for sure.
Watch, but it's not Louis Vuitton.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw that.
Then Finding Fanny, a film I have not seen.
I love Finding when he had a
Yeah?
cameo in it.
Yeah.
He
Huh.
is
Oh, yeah, it's a
Deepika's
cameo.
early on husband who dies.
Ooh.
ये
Okay, so
spoiler
let's,
था by the way.
No,
जिन
spoiler
लोगों
नहीं,
ने
it's the beginning of the movie. This is the literally the
अच्छा,
first
अच्छा,
Let's ignore
introduction of the
Finding
character.
Fanny because it's a cameo. He does.
But by the way, I love Finding Fanny.
Okay.
If you have not seen it,
I want
please,
to, yeah.
please watch. Not enough people
यार
have seen it. I
Hotstar
love
पे
it.
हिंदी वाला version है. I want to see the English one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Anyway,
Okay.
Kill Dil.
Yeah, decent time
Misfire.
pass.
Decentish
Yeah,
but
yeah.
misfire, yes.
Yeah, misfire,
but
yeah.
that one song, bro. Also, Govinda, negative role. Kill Bill. Kill Bill.
Then 2015, going by first 5-year rule, 2015 he does 2, Dil Dhadakne Do and Bajirao Mastani.
Whoa, whoa.
So then
Whoa,
based
whoa.
on this, I would say Ranveer had a more...
Bro, but then
eventful.
bro, एक second. But then, do you actually
Rockstar and Barfi?
Yeah. Do you
and Wake Up and Rocket.
Bro,
What the
Rockstar
fuck,
is
dude?
whatever. What? Yeah.
No,
We've had
Rockstar
this
acting is
conversation.
great and iconic as hell film, dude.
Eh,
What are you talking about?
bro,
It is
Rockstar
super
कैसे नहीं
iconic.
पसंद है आपको?
not a good film.
I mean,
Not a good film.
Yeah.
I
Great
mean-
music. One of Rahman's best soundtracks. Eh.
जो भी मैं
बर्बाद करे अब
But then
Abbas
wouldn't,
mere-
isn't, bro, गोलियों की रासलीला रामलीला, दिल धड़कने दो, बाजीराव मस्तानी. Banger, banger, banger.
I mean, yeah, tough one. But see,
Especially Bajirao and Ramleela are star-making vehicles.
Bro, वैसे मैं I think I was talking to one of my friends. निखिल से बात कर रहा था मैं from IVM.
जोशी.
निखिल जोशी.
Yeah.
Bro, he was telling me कि the बाजीराव मस्तानी में जो बाजीराव का उसने accent पकड़ा था मराठी accent is like very
Spot
close,
on, yeah,
very
yeah.
spot on. यार like I think Bollywood में उतना अच्छा accent किसी ने नहीं पकड़ा. And I was like, you're wrong.
Except for Paresh Rawal.
No, bro, except for Arjun Kapoor, bro.
In which movie?
He
No, I
did
don't.
one of the films.
Yeah,
where,
yeah. Panipat.
Panipat, yes,
Yeah, yeah.
Panipat. Dude, that film, अरे भाई साहब. But yeah, dude, like, okay, it is
Okay,
strong.
I think the way to go about it is let's count the bangers from the list that you mentioned.
So
from
none
Ranveer.
of these
How
were-
are these are bangers?
None of these were added out flops from
No,
what
bro,
I...
I'm
नहीं,
saying
bangers.
Absolute bangers.
Okay,
बाजीराव एक हो गई.
Band Baja.
Band Baja, banger.
Fair उसके लिए तो हाँ fair.
fair उसके लिए तो क्या
नहीं,
banger
correct.
है वो,
Fair.
हाँ.
It is a banger. Yes.
Ramleela.
Banger
I would
है.
say yes.
Yes.
So then Bajirao, Ramleela and Band Baja are the 3 bangers.
पर और क्या है क्या?
Ladies versus Ricky Bell, I won't
Okay,
call
not-
a banger.
not a banger, not a
Lutera, not a banger.
Bro, it's a banger. What the fuck?
It's a great movie, but it
I think a
got
lot of people will
of
say-
its got a lot of its praise later on.
अरे but movie like now we know ना that it is a good
ठीक
film.
है, चलो कर लो count.
हाँ,
Lutera,
fair.
banger.
Obviously now we know that it's a
Banger.
good film.
Lutera banger then.
Like I'm gonna count Jagga Jasoos as a banger.
Fine,
when
I'm
it comes
agreeing
to
Yeah,
with
that's
you.
true.
Yeah, I
हाँ,
agree.
That's true. I'm gonna count it as a banger as well.
Kill Dil, not a banger.
Not a banger.
Gunde, not a banger.
Not a banger. Yeah.
Uh,
Oh, by the way, इसके just बाद उसने वो भी किया था AIB roast banger.
And he was banging in that, dude. Yeah, dude.
I mean, yeah, we'll come to that more when we talk about the off-screen.
The off-screen, yes.
Yeah, so then बाकी की फिल्में जो आई उतनी
ठीक है।
कितनी 4 banger हो गई फिर.
हाँ,
चार banger.
चार
correct.
banger है.
Let's go. Savary or not? Detours of Love.
Not
That's
मतलब
why I say no.
I'm not like a fan of
Yeah,
Bhatsaya,
same.
you know,
Fair,
but
it's
like
okay.
it's fine.
Wake
yeah.
Up Sid, I would say, is a banger. Like it's
Can I
right up.
say one
Yeah.
thing though? Bachna Hai Hasino.
Yeah.
For the longest time, the song Bachna Hai Hasino became the identity of Ranveer.
Yeah.
Right? Every award show, every reality show,
Yeah,
he
correct.
would enter to this song. Also, the connection that it was his dad's song.
I think Rishi ji and Ranbir also performed
On this,
on
yeah,
this
probably,
song
yeah.
in one of the awards.
So,
Yeah.
so maybe movie in that sense, on the whole, may not have been a banger, but it gave him an identity, if you can call it. Because clearly, Savaria probably did not.
Yeah,
See,
fair.
Ranbir
Bachna Hai
always
Hasino.
had hype. तो identity उसके
did.
पास
But
हमेशा से था.
flirty young guy is more his vibe than the
Fair, yeah.
romantic Savaria guy, right?
Yeah, sure. But what are you trying to say?
I don't know. मैं दोनों साइड से बैटिंग कर रहा हूँ.
ठीक ही थी बचना
बैंगर
ऐसा नहीं है कि
बैंगर इश कंसिडर कर सकते हैं.
नहीं, जरूरी
ठीक है,
नहीं
चलो,
है.
okay,
हाँ
move on.
मतलब
नहीं है.
नहीं है बैंगर.
Yeah, banger तो
It's
नहीं
fine.
है. It's like it's almost also like you can miss it. It's not like you can't miss the movie.
True.
हाँ.
Yeah. I mean, if you've heard the songs, you've seen the best parts.
छोटी उंगली पे
ये गाना भी
नचाएगी तुझे. She's a
तो भी
star.
खुदा जाने की.
हाँ.
Yes, उसी का. Yes.
गाने तो बढ़िया बनाए
आहिस्ता,
दोनों ने.
आहिस्ता.
नहीं,
That's it. बचना नहीं.
ए आहिस्ता आहिस्ता is अनजाना
अनजाना अनजानी.
No bro. आहिस्ता.
Oh yes, you're right.
really?
मनीषा लंबा के साथ
Okay.
है गाना. मनीषा लंबा के साथ.
True. Bro, सिर्फ साउंडट्रैक के बल पे ही बैंगर बना सकते हैं यार. बच रहा है हसीनों को.
That's true. Songs are banging, dude. I said fuck that.
एक वो भी तो था.
Ladies are good songs.
जो वो शादी पे गाता है, मनीषा लंबा की शादी पे जाके गाता है. कुणाल
ले कबीरा. That one.
कि उसमें मैंने एक जोक पढ़ा था, कहता है उसमें लिखा था रणबीर को शादी वाले सीन से निकलने की इतनी
बहुत
आदत है
correct.
कि रामायण में स्वयंवर से न निकल जाए. धनुष तोड़ने के बाद चला गया.
That's so funny. That's so funny.
So then are we considering बचना है हसीनों as a banger?
No.
No.
यार.
Up till
अगर
now-
हम लोग
Okay.
ये बात करेंगे कि दोनों में से गाने किसने बेटर दिए, then we can
ठीक है
obviously.
चलो. Okay.
But
I
up till
think
now,
वो तो that is not a competition.
up till now,
रणबीर
Wake Up
ने ही
Sid
दिया है.
is a banger. Ajab Prem की गजब कहानी 2009
No.
not a banger.
I don't think of that first thought when I think of the Ranbir.
Yeah, sure. And
But
I also,
again, banger songs in that film
Yeah,
as
sure.
well.
yeah, that's true. Iconic
I
songs.
guess the era was just
तू
banger songs.
जाने ना,
2000.
तू जाने ना तेरा होने लगा हूँ.
Atif
भाई वो shining in the sand and sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come on, heal me. Oh, come on, heal me.
Yeah, so Ajab Prem, but not a banger. As a movie, I would
Yeah.
say I would call it a
ठीक है,
banger.
okay.
Katrina's acting has a lot of flaws.
ओ
Yeah.
वो
But-
गाल मिल्की मिल्की बाल सिल्की सिल्की ये तो चलती फिरती वनीला आइसक्रीम है यार.
तू इतना डर क्यों रहता है? ऐसा क्यों डर रहा है कि तू अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड बोल रहा है?
हाँ ब्रो
Yeah, मेरे घर में अपनी
banger
गर्लफ्रेंड बोल रहा है.
cameo dude.
हाँ,
Salman.
sure.
Salman.
सलमान
But Savaria also had
सलमान
a Salman cameo. Yeah, that's true. This guy has a Salman thing, right? Okay, next is I think a banger. Rocket Singh Season of the Year. I think it's
It is, but
great
the movie didn't do well. I
Yeah,
like
but then
the
we
movie.
already considered Ranveer ka also that.
And
movie
again,
didn't
it's
do well.
first time Ranbir showed like proper versatility.
Correct,
Not
but-
just because he was
No,
wearing a
what I'm
turban.
saying is, we didn't we consider one of Ranveer's films also?
bro
which
but
is-
that's Lutera.
Lutera. तो
Like you
क्या-
cannot compare Lutera. So see I'll tell you.
But I think
Rocket Singh as a concept was very new and it was Rocket Singh as a film I think is better than what Ranbir ने कुछ exceptional नहीं किया film में is what I feel.
I think it was
Fair
good,
point.
man. I think it was good
It
enough.
was Shimit Amin, I think, his follow up to Chak De India.
So you were there as a younger you, dude.
Yeah, that
In
meme
Rocket
has been
Singh?
going around.
Yes.
That I have.
We'll show that meme so you get
Yeah,
to
so I think I think Ranbir in that film was not phenomenal. It was just like a normal good acting
Oh yeah,
performance.
fair enough. If
But the
both of you
movie ka
think, yeah.
concept to start like a startup
Yeah,
within a
yeah,
company,
It was ahead
that
of
was
its time.
something new.
Before, I think this was even before your wave of TVF shows and all
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
All right, so
You
then
would
not a
know,
banger.
yes.
Not a banger then. Wake Up Sid right now. Then
I think
next is
Ranbir has-
Rajniti.
Bro, we
Rajniti.
lost already. Again, ensemble cast, it wasn't really Ranbir.
But Ranbir did a very good job though. But then again, जैसे हमने दिल धड़कन दो में काउंट नहीं किया तो I think पिछली बार जब हमने रणबीर हॉल ऑफ फेम किया था तो काफी लोग ने गाली दी थी कि तुम राजनीति को कैसे काउंट नहीं कर सकते.
तो कर लो अभी.
ऐसे
Mention कर. So then, are we? Is it a banger?
So
Is the movie a banger?
movie is very good. Movie is
movie
But
has to
then
count as banger.
we are counting the performance of the actor.
But bro,
right?
हम दिल धड़कने दो को भी तो banger consider करेंगे जब आएगा तो, है ना?
कहाँ किया?
किया ना.
नहीं किया ना.
किया. We considered
दिल धड़कन दो को banger काउंट किया हमने.
I mean, we had
No,
hasn't
we
come
did
yet.
actually.
We
We
hasn't come
did
yet.
Ramlila and
It
this
hasn't come
one.
yet.
It has
अरे आया
come.
बाबा.
आया.
2015 में उसने
Also,
बाजीराव और दिल
तो
धड़कने
great.
दो किया था.
तो banger bro, for sure man. So then 5?
तो फिर रणवीर की सिर्फ दो ही नॉट बैंगर है, गुंडे और किल दिल.
ओ फिर तो जीत गया.
अब हमारी बेचारी
तो
बर्फी
chill
और
यार.
लॉबस्टर कितना कर
टेंशन
लेगी.
कर रहे हैं, टेंशन क्या कर रहे हो.
और लेडीज वर्सेस
dude,
रिकी बहल भी
but
थी.
the next two movies of Ranbir's are also bangers, Barfi and Rockstar. Rockstar.
Bro,
and
I agree. I think रणबीर की करियर की दो बेस्ट पिक्चरें इसने दो बैक टू बैक सालों में कर दी.
Barfi. Okay.
रॉकस्टार और बर्फी.
हाँ उसके बाद कोई एक्सेप्शन
So he did
Exceptionally
Barfi,
well.
Ye Jawani Hai, Rockstar Barfi and Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Ye Jawani Hai Diwani also had hype when it came out.
Bro, ये YGHD was
Yeah.
quite hyped.
Yeah.
I really like it.
Because I think it was also...
for me it's an absolute banger. I like it way more than Tamasha.
मतलब
Way
it's a
more.
very chill watch.
Yeah, I like it. It's a chill watch. I've seen it a lot of times. I think it's like a feel good movie.
It is.
It
I
works.
agree.
You know what I'm realizing actually? Ranbir has had more
Chill films.
Not chill films. He's taken more swings and failed than Ranveer's. For example, Bombay Velvet was a huge swing.
Yes.
Did not work. Besharam was a huge swing. Did not work. क्या कहते हैं Sanju, okay, it did work. Jagga Jasus was a huge swing. Did not work. Right? तो ऐसे फिल्मोग्राफी में रणवीर का अगर देखें, I can only think of probably Jayesh Bhai Jordar, where he took a swing and he did not
Bro,
work.
83, Kapil Dev,
Yeah, it did
Fair,
work. It did not
83
work, yes.
did not work.
Khilji,
Lutera also.
Lutera.
Khilji was
Padmavat, bro.
Padmavat
was
worked.
a success.
It's a huge hit, dude. Blockbuster
तो
है.
आप swing and a miss की बात कर
Yeah,
रहे हो
yeah.
तो but isn't swing and like a hit a better combination?
It is. But I'm saying बोल रहा हूँ रणबीर के केस में
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ वो वर्सेटैलिटी में हिट नहीं है.
मुझे पूरी बात करने देगा.
हाँ, करो नहीं.
मैं कह रहा हूँ रणबीर
But actually, sorry.
took a swing and missed is more for Ranveer.
Yeah. So
For
basically-
Ranveer,
so we are all
what,
agreeing that
what
Ranveer
films
is-
do you consider of Ranveer Singh as a risk? 83 हो गया.
83 was
No,
the
actually,
risk.
see, he's right. Ramleela is the risk. Padmavat
All
is the
of
How
these-
is Ramleela is a risk, bro?
I mean, it's like a period piece with a love story.
he's still playing a
It's actually-
muscular-
Okay,
चलो
Romeo
चलो
Juliet
if
ऐसा तो
not Ramleela, this
Padmavat and
Bajirao
Khilji.
Mastani,
Padmavat.
Padmavat, these
Yeah,
are obviously like ऐसे period dramas
Dude,
को
and in a sense-
अपनी peak पे ऐसा negative
Yeah.
खिलजी जैसा रोल करना.
in
Has
80
Ranveer done a period film? I don't think so, right?
Yeah, both of these. Or Ranbir.
Ranbir,
Shamsher,
Ranbir
right?
Kapoor.
It was a hit and
Oh,
miss.
Shamshera, yes.
That I don't consider a swing also.
Brahmastra. It's
No, it
today's
wasn't a period.
It's every film is a period piece.
ब्रह्मास्त्र जैसे एक पिज्जा की तरह है.
Yes. It's the
So
period of
maybe
pizzas.
when we see him in Ramayana, which is kind of sort of a period film, we will,
Yeah.
people
Kind
will,
of sort of क्या obviously.
मतलब it's also considered a myth, but then also if you want to nail it to a
But
time
ऐसे तो
period.
Ahsoka is also a period piece, you know. But it's a
No, Ahsoka is actually a historical fact. There
Oh.
was a guy called Ahsoka.
Yeah, there was a guy called Ahsoka.
Not that I'm saying there wasn't a guy
But how
called
it is shown is obviously
अब्बास अरे कुल्हाड़ी का मैंने पैर पे नहीं मारी अभी तक.
mythology,
So
not
anyway.
myth.
yeah,
Don't say.
mythology. What's the next category? So Ranveer is winning everything, bro. Left, right, and
Up till
center.
now, yes.
But banger albums Ranbir would win. Clean sweep.
Not a clean sweep.
Clean sweep, bro. Clean sweep.
Though, bro, Ranveer has.
बैंड बाजा बारात के गाने मस्त हैं.
Bro,
ठीक है.
पन्नाव
क्या
गाने तो
बात
अच्छे
कर रहे हो भाई? एक सेकंड
फिर,
दोस्तों. रणबीर के आगे एल्बम में किसी का कंपटीशन नहीं है.
भाई, we'll have to run by.
लुटेरा के गाने बढ़िया हैं.
बड़े तो सवार लो is
Uh,
fantastic song. दिल धड़कन क्या
दिल धड़कने के गाने मस्त हैं.
मस्त है bro.
भाई none of it compares to Rockstar
Rockstar,
की एल्बम. भाई
बर्फी तो ठीक है.
काली बॉय ब्रो. अपना टाइम आएगा.
that is
Yeah.
true, that is a good one.
Yeah.
But then again जब आप बर्फी की बात करते हो, जब आप
Fair.
रॉकस्टार की बात
ठीक
करते
है.
हो,
अजब प्रेमी.
अजब प्रेमी गजब कहानी. उसके बाद आपका ये हमने इसकी भी बात
Wake Up
करी.
Sid, fucking
Wake Up Sid, एक तारा ब्रो.
Great song, yeah. Also,
Sure, I'll give you that.
क्या करूं?
मोह मोह के धागे किसका गाना है?
वो उसका है दम लगा के हाइशा.
Oh हाँ, वो दम लागे. वो आयुष्मान का है.
आयुष्मान खुराना का है वो.
नहीं
उसको
यार,
मत लेके
मैं कौन
आया
सा
यहाँ
गाने
पे.
सवार लो.
मेरे माइंड में कुछ और गाना चल रहा है.
सवार
वो अनु मलिक का कौन सा गाना है?
अनु मलिक का ही है मोमो.
मोमो के धागे. यार मेरे माइंड में इसका बर्फी का कोई गाना बज रहा है बट मैं बोल मोमो के धागे रहा हूँ. फिर ले आया दिल. यस ब्रो, फिर ले आया दिल एक तरफ और आई थिंक बाजीराव मस्तानी के सारे गाने एक तरफ. नहीं बाजीराव मस्तानी के बहुत सही गाने
बहुत से गाने
हैं.
हैं.
बहुत अच्छे गाने हैं.
Okay, here's a question. Is Ranveer really good at comedy?
रणवीर
Yeah.
या
Because Circus was a disaster.
सिम्बा ब्रो. सिम्बा
Is Simba good?
ब्रो
It's an
Have you seen
okay
Simba?
film.
भाई उसकी कॉमेडी वाइज उसने तो सही किया है.
वैसे तो हाँ.
Like the role that he was given, he's done a very good job at that. In
Yeah,
fact,
sure.
Singham 3 में he was the only
That
bearable
is
part.
100% true, dude.
He
He
was
was the
the
best part of the
only
movie.
bearable part
The
about
whole movie was
that.
shit otherwise, yeah.
उसके बाद
Doesn't he play a stand-up comic in Befikre?
बेफिक्र तो फिल्म ही बेकार थी भाई. वो तो फिल्म ही बहुत बेकार थी. कॉमेडी में अगर आप देखो तो और उसने क्या किया है कॉमेडी में कॉमेडी
I mean, in a way you can say Band Baja Barat is also
मेजरली कॉमेडी
नहीं.
ब्रो. रॉकी रानी ब्रो.
Rocky Rani is
Yeah.
very funny.
Yes.
रॉकी रानी.
I love Ranveer in Rocky Rani.
In fact, Ranbir hasn't done a lot of comedies.
I mean वो बेशरम की तो फ्लॉप
फिर
हो
वो
गई.
क्योंकि मैं
अजब
ये
प्रेम.
पता है I'll tell you why. ये सेम चीज मुझे ऋतिक के लिए भी लगती है भाई. उन लोगों की ना मैनरिज्म्स अपब्रिंगिंग पे तो मैं क्या ही बात पे आऊंगा बट लाइक द वे दे कैरी देमसेल्व्स दैट इज टू नॉट कॉमेडी. Like that's very formal, that's very suave, that's very James Bondish.
Yeah.
The entire situation, right?
Ranveer molds himself.
So अब जैसे ऋतिक भी है. अगर आप ऋतिक को कभी कपिल शर्मा शो पे देखो ना जब वो अपने आप को ऐसा फ्री दिखाने की कोशिश करता है झल्ला लगता है. ठीक है. सेम उससे जब मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूं में ट्राई किया वो झल्ला ही लगता है बिकॉज उसकी पर्सनैलिटी पे वो सूट ही नहीं करता है. आई थिंक दैट इज ऑल्सो द केस विद रणबीर. एंड रणबीर का अनदर थिंग उसकी जो रणबीर की आंखें ऐसी हैं. ठीक है.
So droopy.
हाँ ड्रूपी आंखें हैं उसकी. तो उसके अंदर जब वो रोमांस दिखाता है दर्द दिखाता है वो ज्यादा इफेक्टिवली दिखता है. जबकि वो कॉमेडी करने की कोशिश करता है तो अगेन हमने उसके मैनरिज्म्स देखे हैं ऑफ स्क्रीन भी. वो उतना शायद फ्री अपने उस मैनरिज्म्स में है ही नहीं कि वो कॉमेडी करते और वो एक्स्ट्रा ही लगता है.
But then in that regard, are you saying that Ranveer is better as a romantic hero?
110%. 110 इंटेंस रोल्स इंटेंस और रोमांटिक में रणबीर का कोई मुकाबला ही नहीं है when it comes to this industry at least.
But
Intensity
Ranveer
तो-
is more passionate in गोलियों की रासलीला रामलीला. He's sexier.
I agreed. But इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि रणबीर cannot do that.
Oh, dude, you're right. So the thing is, when Ranveer cries, no, I
Bro.
feel a lot more crying than like when Ranveer cries.
Ranveer
almost
is
any
crazy
other
when it
actor.
comes to it.
Almost any other actor, like which movie, dude? Like ये जवानी ही ले लो या फिर तमाशा ले लो. It fucking tugs at
भाई-
Rockstar tugs at a heartstrings
भाई
in a way that Ranveer's films don't.
जब वो चन्ना मेरेया में जब वो निकलता है कबीरा में जब वो निकलता
भाई।
है और वो जो लाल आंखें क्लीन शेव चेहरा लेके भाई
it hits you.
वो नहीं है वो वीडियो ये वीडियो देख के लौंडे रोएंगे वो वाला सीन है. रणबीर जितनी इंटेंसिटी आई थिंक कोई नहीं ला सकता in the industry right now. The only place where I felt कि रणबीर को इंटेंसिटी में किसी ने ओवर पावर किया है that's that one scene from ए दिल है मुश्किल जब शाहरुख रणबीर के आगे आता है और जब वो कहता है एक तरफा प्यार की ताकत
तुम क्या
जानो मुकेश.
भी.
उस टाइम पे लगता है कि भाई रणबीर यू हैव अ लॉट टू कवर. जब शाहरुख उसके सामने अपनी वो पंछी जैसी आंखें लेके लाल भर के ले आता है ठीक है कि भाई क्रेजी हो जाता है तो बहुत. जब वो भाई वो ऐसे इट्स द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल फीलिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. मुझे सबा से प्यार करने के लिए सबा की जरूरत. अरे गुड.
बस.
Next, then, moving on to the next
अरे
5
next हो
years.
गया. अच्छा,
Next
चलो
5.
ठीक है.
Moving on to the next
अच्छा,
5
next
years.
5
Okay.
Okay. Ranveer first. He has Ranveer Ching returns.
क्रेजी बेस्ट.
Befikre.
No.
2016.
No.
Yeah. Padmavat.
Banger.
Banger. Oh, that's one. Simba. 2018.
I would count it as a banger.
What?
I would count it as a banger.
No, bro, not at all.
क्या बात कर रहे हो भाई?
Bro, firstly, I don't think any Rohit Shetty movie after Golmaal is a banger. Okay, none of them should be
ये
considered.
सिंघम नहीं पसंद आपको?
Singham, nahi, I prefer Dabangg way more as a movie.
Golmaal 1 you're saying.
And
But
Golmaal
Dabangg
one-
was
हाँ,
Abhinav
मतलब-
Kashyap. It's not Rohit Shetty.
गोलमाल भाई अभिनव कश्यप को छोड़ दो.
Dabangg is
That's
Abhinav
true.
Kashyap.
He said Singham. I said no, I don't like Singham as much. I always
वो
think I
आप
prefer Dabangg.
कॉप मूवीज
तूने बोला रोहित शेट्टी की कोई फिल्म गोलमाल के बाद मुझे नहीं अच्छी लगी. Then you said I prefer Dabangg. So
No,
I
no,
thought-
he asked after that.
सिंघम.
अच्छा,
हाँ.
Don't you like Singham?
But
I
I
said, no, I actually prefer
मतलब
Dabangg.
I think सिंघम was not bad.
Singham wasn't bad. Yes.
सिंघम returns was bad.
Yeah, but Singham, do you-
3 is worse.
Singham 3 तो was very bad. Simba was I felt Simba to be like a fun watch.
Yeah, ठीक है, you can call it fun, but I don't
was
think
very
it's a
fun,
banger,
dude.
bro. Very fun.
Yeah, I fully enjoyed it.
I don't know why you enjoyed it so
मतलब
much.
it's a very chill watch. मतलब it's not something
But
masterpiece.
if one person has not seen it, I don't think it's a banger.
ठीक है,
Shouldn't
हटा
come in
सकते हो, कोई
bangers.
दिक्कत नहीं है.
Okay.
I remember it getting a good this thing.
Response,
though,
yeah.
that Ranveer
भाई,
is good in the
it's I
movie.
think it's renewed for the second part also.
Yeah, वो तो है ही, पर चलो ठीक है. Next
हाँ,
is
मतलब
Gully
not
Boy.
that it. Bro,
Absolute banger, dude.
अपराणा
I get
आएगा.
him.
4 बार देखी मैंने हॉल पे.
Okay. Next is
One small. I mean, it's a banger, yes, but
Yes.
they've given him blackface in the movie, which is not great. Or they've made him.
छोड़ ना भाई. तू तेरे को
I'm a
हंसने
woke
पड़ेगा।
guy.
मैं
I
बोला,
have to
4
bring
comment क्या पढ़ लिए?
wokeism
Good
into it,
nuance,
okay?
अब्बास.
Yes.
Abbas, thank you for your honest take.
अब हम कर रहे हैं तुम्हें dismiss.
Yes. Next after Gully Boy is Suryavanshi ka cameo. Oh, fuck that. 83.
Bro, banger.
Banger to me, it's an earnest film, but
Yeah.
it wasn't.
Banger.
It didn't do what it was
Bro,
supposed
also,
to.
banger,
also
banger,
the thing is
banger,
the
banger.
film narrative wise was too linear and
Yeah,
predictable.
agreed.
Nothing,
Yes.
no suspense, no nothing.
वर्ल्ड कप में क्या सस्पेंस देंगे आप?
भाई तू लगान
Bro,
तूने
तूने
लगान तो
चकदे
नहीं
देख
देखी
ले
होगी
तू,
कभी
चकदे भी
थिएटर
देख ले।
में लगान जब तू देखता है तो हर बॉल पे तेरे को ये एंटिसिपेशन होता है क्या होगा क्या होगा क्या
भाई,
होगा
लगान-
रिगार्डलेस ऑफ हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू सीन द मूवी
लगा-
83 में एक मोमेंट नहीं है ऐसा
Yeah.
भाई लगान.
और ये तो हुआ है असल में
तभी तो कह रहा हूँ वो कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे उस चीज को.
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ लगान का एंडिंग सबको पता है अब लेकिन आज भी तुम देखोगे तो हर बॉल
Bro,
पे
but
तुमको
that's fiction.
anticipation
That's the
होता
story
है।
that they've written.
Bro,
Both
you
are-
can, dude.
that's
There's a way
what
to do it.
83 is supposed to fictionalize the real life
Dude,
incident
even
that
if you take
happened.
Chakde as a
Take
comparison.
Chakde,
अरे
exactly.
but all these films are fictional. They've been
Regardless,
written अलग
but
से.
the only
वो
thing-
83 वर्ल्ड
Bro,
कप
so
उसने
it
बनाया.
should be even easier.
Yeah,
83
bro.
तो और भी easy होना चाहिए
Correct.
ये सब चीज तो एक्चुअल में हुई है
Correct. Like, just
तो उस पे
Build
सस्पेंस
more-
कैसे क्रिएट
और-
करेगा वो?
चल not
Bro,
suspense,
it
build
wasn't
tension.
even, it
Build
wasn't
more
even
tension.
one-sided. It was actually an underdog thing. India was not the favorites to win. They were
हाँ,
going
वो
against,
मतलब-
they were going against a team that had won twice before and was 99% sure to win the next World Cup. 183 पे ऑल आउट हो गए थे. पिक्चर की स्क्रिप्ट असलियत में लिख के तुमको दी
हाँ,
है.
तो वही तो
उसकी भी
बनाई है
उससे भी
उन्होंने।
वो अच्छी फिल्म नहीं बना
See,
पाया
the
वो.
thing is, Ranveer's acting, there's no
वो तो
question
top
about it, was
notch थी. वो
great.
तो top notch थी.
He
हाँ.
absolutely fucking became Kapil Dev in that. And the casting for that movie was also epically done.
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
well done.
Very good.
But as a movie, I feel
was very
even at the
one-note.
time I felt that
Yeah.
it wasn't anything great. It was very linear and चलो ठीक है लहरा दो के मोमेंट पे थोड़े थोड़े आंसू आ जाते
बहुत
हैं
आती थोड़ा यहाँ
हाँ,
तक आ
ठीक है,
जाता
fair
है.
enough.
लहरा दो पे आ जाता
But-
है. I agree.
not beyond
Yeah,
that.
I
I would
agree.
चलो, ठीक
It
है.
deserved a way better movie.
yeah. Can you just
Even though I like Kabir Khan, I like Ranveer. 83 is
dude,
legendary.
absolutely.
but
I love Kabir.
Something went wrong.
Yeah. Next is after
83 के बाद तो 83 के बाद तो it's
Circus,
just
no.
been
so
down
next is Jayesh
downhill.
भाई जोरदार.
Yeah, I mean he was good, but the
उसने
movie was
accent
good.
सही पकड़ा था apparently.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, the Gujarati
मैंने
accent
देखी
that he
है
picked.
Jayesh bhai,
Yes.
actually. What would you think? You guys have both seen Jayesh bhai?
Yeah, he was good.
He
but
was
the
good,
movie
but
is
not
great.
not a very good film.
Okay, fair enough. Circus is next.
Oh, but
बहुत वाहियात
let's not
picture.
even waste 1 minute on this.
So that's a horrible film.
Yeah,
So
that's a
that
very
should
bad
affect.
film.
Like
how bad
that's Shamshera.
Oh, that's Shamshara or Besharam. Because comedy, bad.
I haven't seen Besharam. Probably.
Besharam is also very bad though.
Yeah, dude.
But चलो Besharam में I can give you like 1 point कि चलो तुमने चिंटू
ऋषि
जी
कपूर
और इनको और
Okay,
मम्मी को
parents
साथ
बना
को
दिया.
ले आए.
What a movie to get them as parents.
I swear.
the worst movie ever.
And it's like also
Like,
like
रणवीर
the-
का खुद कभी मन नहीं करेगा देखने का.
the classic end की हमारी कभी कोई औलाद नहीं हुई और तू अनाथ है तो हम तुझे अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं types.
Okay. Next, according to me, after Circus, absolute banger, Rocky Rani.
Rocky Rani banger.
Ugh. Dude, I think Rocky Rani, when it came out, was
Bro, it was
okay,
like
okay.
bro,
reception.
it was like a
No,
festival,
it was
dude.
It
What
was
are you
good
saying?
reception, but it never did that great numbers at the box office and all, dude.
What
It
are you
just
saying,
did
dude?
decently at the box office. You go back and learn and read it. It did decently at the box office. But I think since then, it has, like, through word of mouth and thoda tickling effects, people have really started to enjoy it much more than what it actually earned. After that is
Bro,
Singham.
but like honestly, I think Rocky Rani is right up there when it
Dude,
comes to
banger,
Ranveer.
banger,
yeah.
मतलब ठीक है
banger.
पैसे नहीं कमाए but bro
ब्रो हमने इतनी तारीफ करी थी लोग चिढ़ गए थे याद है
हाँ भाई लोग
IBM
अंतरिक्ष को
pop पे।
टॉन्ट मारने लग गए थे
Bro, I see
फाइनली एन एपिसोड वेयर अंतरिक्ष
Did
hasn't
not
talked
mention.
about
Rocky
Rocky Rani.
Oh, dude, what do you
ब्रो
say?
आई रिमेम्बर उस टाइम पे
I
हम
remember
लोग
that time.
उस टाइम पे आई टू रिमेम्बर मैं अंतरिक्ष ऑफिस में अंतरिक्ष 4 बजे रिकॉर्डिंग करके चलो गाइस आई नीड टू हेड बोल के निकल जाता था
हाँ।
मैं 5:30-6 बजे निकल रहा हूँ ऑफिस से जा रहा हूँ हम गाड़ी सेम ही लेन में पार्क करते थे
Yeah.
ये अपनी गाड़ी में अपनी रेड कौन सी थी वो
Red Honda Jazz.
होंडा जैज बैठ के फोन पे रॉकी रानी देख रहा है बैठ के भाई 2 घंटे से रॉकी रानी देख रहा है बैठ के
Dude, I had time to kill.
एंड आई वॉक एंड लाइक आप 4 बजे के निकले हैं ऑफिस से
Yeah, either at a spot or I'd meet someone or something, so I was killing time.
तो ही इज लाइक बस ब्रो
मैं ऑफिस में तो नहीं बैठने वाला एक्स्ट्रा टाइम.
लाइक आना बैठना तू भी देख
भाई मस्त पिक्चर है. देख.
देखो घर जा रहा है
wow
Dude,
bro
yeah. At a certain point, even Kirti got irritated with me because I was banging Rocky Rani so much. He's like, stop it, you're not rocking it now.
बट ब्रो आजा
Green Range Rover.
आजा मेरी
Yes,
गाड़ी में
correct. Green Range Rover.
ब्रो लव द फर्स्ट डायलॉग वेयर ही गोज लाइक कि अरे रहने देना फरारी है तेरी बिल्डिंग की वो बढ़ जाएगी
कीमत
ले
बढ़
ये
जाएगी.
पकड़ मिठाई खा लियो ब्रो क्रेजी
Right.
वेस्ट बंगाल
ताड़ लो जितना ताड़ना है वही.
वेस्ट बंगाल वेस्ट में
Yes.
ऑब्वियो ईस्ट में है
Yes. वो क्या है? अरे हैंडल मी विद केयर, आई एम फ्रेजाइल.
I'm a fragile यार मैं तेरी तरफ से हूँ यार रानी
Iconic.
या ब्रो क्रेजी
He carried it. And how?
बैंगर आउटफिट्स
Great outfit.
भाई मतलब मत दो मेरे को लॉटरी मेरे को सारे आउटफिट्स दे दो भाई वो वाले
And a surprisingly wholesome, well-written movie. It seemed like.
okay
And-
guys enough
एक सेकंड ब्रो धर्मपाजी
Dhanabaj
Yeah.
movie. Yes,
धर्मपाजी
absolutely. Correct.
and we are
On
recording
RIP.
it on his birthday also
Yes,
as well.
RIP.
Yes.
Great. Dharampaji. Also, we have to say, you guys saw a cut where we took that cut and cut cake for my anniversary. party.
yeah we
आज
just
की anniversary start हो गई
Yeah,
by the way.
yeah. But you guys maybe, अगर बताओ हमें, put in the
Can you tell the
comment
difference?
section.
Yeah.
Can you tell? This is after us having cake.
this is our editor's test कि कितना अच्छा edit किया उसने
भाई ऐसा.
ठीक है, उसके
jaw on the
बाद-
line, bro.
नहीं भाई
के बाद then in 2024 he had Singham again where he played
Yeah.
he reprised
Let's
the role
skip
of
this movie again.
Simba
Skip again.
and then they
the
have,
worst Diwali clash by the way भूल भुलैया and
Singham.
Singham
Both
again.
were terrible.
वही तो कह रहा हूँ the worst
Oh my
Diwali
God.
clash
Both were threes, no? Bulbul
Yeah,
3 and
yeah,
Singham.
Bulbul
Yeah.
Yatsi and Singham again not even
Singham actually got affected because of the music copyright as well. So
Yes.
apparently Singham का जो सारा original वो था वो I
big
think
background up
I don't understand how is all of that not already sorted well before the release and all that shit.
bro it's very this thing it's very
Complicated.
And I'm sure egos play a big
and
role.
music is background music is the thing that happens the last thing before the movie goes up for release
Oh, okay.
so I
मेरे
remember
को याद है एक बार एनडीटीवी पे किसना रिलीज होने वाली थी सुभाष
वो
घई की।
किसना है hit
हाँ
the movie.
और
Love the God.
रिलीज के वीक में यार रहमान 4 दिन पहले स्टूडियो में बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक कर रहा है रिलीज के 4 दिन पहले बोला अभी इतना लेट नहीं हो गया रहमान वाज लाइक यार नो बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक हैपेंस लाइक दिस ओनली अ फ्यू डेज बिफोर द रिलीज बोला
no nice dude. Good job.
एनीवे देन यू कम
Firstly,
टू द
okay, yes. No, I was talking about the next coming Dhurandhar only.
latest 2025 release which is Dhurandhar
The
which
Randhar.
is doing balls to the wall business as we're talking right now.
Yeah, I agree. Crazy
Dhurandhar,
business.
absolute business.
So
absolute banger.
after Rocky Rani, there was a bit of a question
Slump.
mark on Ranveer's career because
उसने अभी एक ट्वीट भी किया था दिस वन इज फॉर माय फैंस जो मेरे साथ रुके रहे और ये हुआ और वो हुआ when while announcing Dhurandhar or
Oh,
something
by
like
the way, did you see the story that Akshay Khanna shared about
that.
Dhurandhar?
Bro, that's a fake account. That's not Akshay Khanna's real
Oh,
account.
really?
Yeah, it's
But-
a fan account.
Oh, dude, yes, just
It's a
ruined
fan
it for me, dude.
account. Yeah, it's a fan account. उसके
But-
bio में लिखा है fan
Okay,
account.
Okay, fair. But the thing was कि the reel that he shared was कि was a meme of himself looking into the camera or something like that, and the caption is कि पहले तो जब मैं
Picture पे
हीरो
hero वाला
ऐसे
कर
हीरो
रहा
जब
था।
मैं कर रहा था तो आपने तब आते नहीं थे और अब लेजेंड करके खुश हो रहे हो.
बट जो भी कहो भाई धुरंधर में ऑस्कर इट इज ऑस्कर ब्रो फॉर अक्षय खन्ना
Oscar?
Bro, are you not seeing those reels, the edits?
Oh,
the
okay.
Tismar Khan
Okay,
Oscar to
Got it. Oh, I did not see
that.
those edits. Okay, cool.
Oh, crazy
Oh,
edits,
that's cool,
dude,
man.
crazy
Oh, that's
edits.
very funny.
तो उसके अंदर
yeah, dude.
उसके अंदर वो वाला सीन नहीं है कि ये ऑस्कर टाइप ऐसे ही होते हैं, ये वो, तो अक्षय खन्ना ही बोल रहा है अरे तू जानता नहीं है ये ऑस्कर टाइप ऐसे होते हैं, देख उसको जरा देख उसको, एंड देन एडिट करके ही ओनली गेट्स आउट फ्रॉम द
Oh,
कार
nice.
इन दैट ब्लैक आउटफिट विद दैट song.
Love that song, dude.
Yeah.
Great song.
We're back, right? We're rolling, no?
Yeah, we're rolling. But, dude, so yeah, absolute banger.
He's like,
Dhurandhar.
ये तो हम चिल ही कर रहे हैं.
चिल ही कर रहे थे. So
Dhurandhar-
Dhurandhar is no, I was saying that a couple of his films, like Dawn 3, Takht, and a few more
They fell through, it seems
derailed
like.
and
Yeah, dude.
didn't
अरे
go through.
मैंने एक वो स्क्रीनशॉट भेजा था आप लोग को ग्रुप में, if you guys remember.
Yeah.
जिसके अंदर उसने बताया था कि कौन सी फिल्म जो है वो इसकी बनते रह गई, जिसमें सब में ये अपेरेंटली लीड
Was
था.
the lead, yeah.
ब्रह्म राक्षस, शक्तिमान, अपरिचित रीमेक, बैजू बावरा, तख्त,
And Dawn 3.
एंड डॉन 3 तो अभी शेल्फ हुई नहीं है.
Dawn 3, I think, हो जाएगी.
Bro, after Dhurandhar, I think some of the
yeah.
projects are gonna come alive.
Resurrected.
Oh,
yeah.
some of these, you think?
These also, and
Dude, I think like projects which get shelved a few years back, they remain shelved. I think the hype for them goes down internally and all. I think
चल ठीक है, देखते हैं.
yeah. But Takht, I would like to see. That was the Dharma one, right? The big
Takht
Dharma
में
one.
apparently, so I read somewhere where Vicky Kaushal was playing
The antagonist.
yeah, this guy, fucking Aurangzeb.
Oh,
Again.
wait, it's a Mughal
From-
movie. It's a Mughal era
From
movie.
Chhawa to
Yeah, so
Aurangzeb.
matlab, that was the joke.
What,
not the
what
joke,
was
but
supposed
like,
to be the story of Takht?
who knows, bro?
Game
Mughal
of
era
Thrones.
something.
Who knows? So like
Oh yes. I
Karan
think you're
Johar
right.
wanted to make a period drama, but he didn't.
Yeah. Got it. Okay, yeah, he was trying this SLB route because I think he was
Yeah.
very. He keeps talking about SLB and how much of a fan
Yeah,
SLB
yeah.
is. He paid tribute to Rocky in Rocky Rani, paid tribute to
Yes.
SLB from
Dola
the
Re Dola.
Dhindola Baze and Dola Re Dola also. Yes.
So now, what? Ranbir's filmography, should we go there?
Let's go. So Ranveer. So Ranveer had how many in the remainder?
I mean, I didn't
Like
count.
bangers? I think three,
Bangers.
four.
Dhurandhar, you can't count as a banger.
Of course,
You can,
bro.
bro. You can.
Rocky Rani, we count as a banger.
Yes, two.
Gully Boy, we count as a banger.
That's three. Yes.
Padmavat.
Oh, 100%, bro.
Yeah, for sure, bro. And
Okay,
Bajirao.
so then
Bajirao nahi.
Bajirao was the last batch.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay, cool. ठीक है. So
Bro,
yeah, I would
not
say-
bad, bro. Ranveer Singh, fucking crazy, bro.
No bad.
And bro, all these films range, bro, range.
That's true. Incredible range.
मतलब कहाँ खिलजी, कहाँ गली बॉय, कहाँ रॉकी, कहाँ धुरंधर, भाई कुछ भी, मतलब लड़का कुछ भी कर जा रहा है.
Yeah. It's all a slow build and it makes sense that it's all culminated into Dhurandhar being
Yeah,
such a big
dude,
hit.
it's
It makes
crazy.
sense.
ठीक है, हम रणबीर के लिए रॉक स्टार पे रुके थे ना.
Yeah.
बर्फी.
बर्फी पे रुके थे.
Barfi
Rockstar?
रुके थे.
Barfi
बर्फी पे रुके थे, ठीक है. So after बर्फी he has ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Banger for
Not a
me.
banger, bro.
I love that
मतलब
film.
हाँ,
But
but
I
like
get it.
it's okay for me. Like it's
Okay, I
fine.
get it. I love that film.
बेशरम.
हाँ,
No,
banger. Banger.
Okay.
I think everything we say after is equivalent.
Yes, correct.
Bombay Velvet. I mean,
Banger.
famously a bomb. तमाशा guys. तमाशा.
Oh, तमाशा. See,
इसको हम नहीं बोलेंगे बैंगर तो लोग
यार नहीं पता है. See, I'll tell you,
देंगे.
तमाशा के साथ क्या हुआ है ना, लाइक जब आई थी तो मेरे को बहुत पसंद थी. फिर मुझे एक टाइम के बाद ऐसे लगने लगा कि बहुत ही ओवर करी है. एंड नाउ आई हैव कम टू द पॉइंट कि नहीं अच्छी है, बट शायद मुझे उतनी पसंद नहीं जितनी मुझे स्टार्टिंग में आई थी जब मैंने देखी थी.
Oh,
But I think overall, whenever they make Ranbir edits on
It's a tamasha.
Tamasha is like mostly they take.
मुझे
footage from-
लाइक तमाशा में आई थिंक रणबीर ने तो जो काम किया है वो किया ही है. फॉर सम रीजन तमाशा में मेरे माइंड में पीयूष मिश्रा ज्यादा एक इम्प्रेशन छोड़ के जाता है ब्रो.
But कहाँ compare कर रहे हैं तो?
अरे मैं उन दोनों को कंपेयर नहीं कर रहा, मैं तमाशा मूवी के इम्पैक्टफुल पॉइंट की बात कर रहा हूँ. भाई जब वो लास्ट में वो बोलता है कि अपनी कहानी मुझसे पूछता है कायर, भाई दैट इज पीक पीयूष मिश्रा ब्रो. लव दैट.
Okay.
Fine to each their own, man. You,
Huh?
get your-
I don't.
fine.
But
You get a hard on with Piyush Mishra.
But-
Others get it through Ranbir
but
Kapoor.
both-
It's also, by the way, Piyush Mishra very openly says that Ranbir Kapoor is his favorite actor and he hasn't seen a better actor in the industry. than Ranbir.
That clearly makes Ranveer Singh the winner of So banger, no banger. I think we should count it as a banger.
Tamasha, yes. Chalo,
Yeah,
let's count
okay,
it as
cool.
a
No, why?
Bro, I think for Ranveer's career, it's
Okay.
a huge film.
It is a huge film. I
Right?
agree.
Okay, I think, see, for his career-wise, I
That
think
is
Ye
what we are
Jawani did
judging,
more
no?
than
No.
Tamasha did.
Oh,
I think so.
eh.
dude.
Nahi, bro.
I legit think, I think,
Bro,
legit.
Ye Jawani catered to the 18, 19 year
yeah,
old.
that's where you
but
get them
Tamasha-
young and then, you know,
but Tamasha,
they'll live with you till
I
the end,
think एक पूरा spectrum cover किया
नहीं,
Tamasha.
तमाशा भी जो उस टाइम पे 18-19 साल के थे, जो अब
फर्स्ट जॉबर्स
25-26
थे
के
ब्रो,
हो गए
फर्स्ट
हैं,
जॉबर्स थे सब,
जो अब 25-26 के हो
चलो,
गए हैं,
ठीक
उनकी
है।
जिंदगी
आउट ऑफ
में
कॉलेज फर्स्ट जॉबर्स
दोनों ही को बैंगर करना है. ये जवानी एंड
Oh, नहीं bro, नहीं.
ओके, इट्स ईदर बोथ और नीदर, हां,
इधर बोथ और तमाशा.
नहीं Tamasha. Let's go with Tamasha.
तमाशा
चलो यार,
okay.
दिया तुम लोग का
ऐ दिल है
यार.
मुश्किल. Again, I don't think was a
No.
successful
Bro, no, I
movie.
think I Dil Hai Mushkil, I find it to be Karan Johar's
Least
worst film.
worst film.
Yeah.
Worse than Student of the Year?
Yeah, dude.
Okay, I think we had this conversation. Okay, another film we've spoken about before, Jaga Jasoos, which
Banger,
both of you like.
banger.
Banger.
ठीक है यार, बैठ जा. हम believe we believe you.
I'm gonna bang it right now.
Bang. Bang.
Okay, moving on.
Jagasus, dude, if you've not seen it,
Please watch it.
Yeah,
Please
okay.
watch it.
Please
Enough,
watch it.
guys. Yes,
We've
you know.
done
Abbas,
this
We've
enough
done this,
time.
yes.
Wait, do you want us to do a 2-1 wala review with Abbas and on Jagasus?
We don't
We'll do
watch
it.
along. We should just watch.
Bro, you
some
know
movie.
the thing is Jaga Jasoos में हम 2-on-1 कर भी नहीं पाएंगे. उसकी story आप बता ही नहीं सकते Jaga Jasoos
Actually,
की.
2-1 is more fun when it's a bad movie.
Yeah.
It sounds like a porn category.
2-1. 2-1.
I swear, dude.
Okay, guys.
कहाँ से
Okay, the next one is this his most successful financial film?
I like Abbas
Sanju.
never heard the phrase 2-in-1 ever in his life before.
No, I have, but in this context when two guys are dumping things on a third
3-in-1? Oh, 3-in-1, dude. Sorry.
Tune in as these two dump all their film knowledge onto me. Sanju. I think it's his most financially successful film.
wasn't Animal the most
Probably
successful film?
Animal now, but for a long time it was Sanju.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A movie I don't like. What about you guys?
Even I don't like that.
I've
film.
talked
But you
about it.
liked it.
I
think
enjoy
रणबीर
it.
की हमने काफी बात करी है तो banger no banger.
Dude, yeah.
For Ranbir, I think we should count it as
Dude,
a
it's
banger,
definitely
right?
considered
Yeah, for
acting wise
Ranbir,
top
yeah.
notch, bro.
भाई तो
There's
इसके
no
भी फिर
denying
काफी
it.
निकल रहे हैं banger.
There's no denying
ठीक
it.
है शमशेरा ड्रॉप कर
Absolutely
दो
fuck all.
नहीं
Yeah.
ब्रह्मास्त्र part 1.
No, bro. Not a banger at all.
Should have been a banger.
It had everything going for it, but it did not live up to.
Is someone keeping score the number of bangers we've had for both of them? No, right?
नहीं भाई हम feel से जा रहे हैं.
Okay, then
this point.
then you have two Jhooty Mein Makkar.
Not a banger.
Decent movie, yeah, but not a banger.
Not a banger.
And then we have Animal, which is clearly.
I mean,
should be
again,
considered a
acting wise,
banger.
should be considered a banger.
Also, as a movie and everything, bro, it
Yeah.
Bro,
it
yeah.
changed the
Sanju
way-
had around 587 CR worldwide.
Yeah.
And Animal has 900 CR.
Oh,
Man, that's
bang.
As
Almost double.
Bhai sahab, dude, fucking crazy.
Would you agree if there was no Animal, probably Dhurandhar would not have been such a big success?
I do think so.
If Animal had not been a success.
Oh, I think Dhurandhar could have been an even bigger success if Animal hadn't existed.
Bro, so see, one thing that I think a lot of people, when it comes to Dhurandhar especially, I think there is probably a campaign going against Dhurandhar when it comes to
Yeah, Animal के time पे बहुत rabid campaign
Oh,
था.
there
नहीं,
is a
नहीं.
campaign going against reviewers who are reviewing Dhurandhar badly.
that is happening. That is a different campaign altogether.
वो भी मेरे को
But-
समझ ही नहीं आ रहा what is this game people are playing.
I
It's
don't
insane,
know,
dude.
man.
Yeah,
But that's something completely different. But
Yeah.
there are people in the industry who have been pointing this out, and like a lot of experts also who have been pointing this out that like people are trying to fucking downplay the Ranveer Singh star power, the Dhurandhar
Yes,
capabilities.
I do feel that. I do feel that. Yeah.
like you know, a
But
negative.
wait, are you
PR
sure of this, or this is a feeling you have? Because this is definitely a feeling. I have.
feelings. That's what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
I do agree with that.
accuse नहीं कर रहा हूँ
I agree
उससे.
with that.
Give me an example.
But that's like a general sentiment online where people are saying that not a lot of people from the industry are coming out in support of Dhurandhar. People are trying to build negative PR around Ranveer Singh and his star power, etc., etc. Shows getting cancelled, IMAX prints last day pe like experiencing problems. Countries boycotting Dhurandhar,
Bro,
etc.
KRK didn't like it,
And
dude.
suddenly
Well-
actors come, like suddenly previous interviews of people praising Ranbir Kapoor are trending online. So a lot of people are trying to connect these dots and saying that this is like a negative sort PR against the
You
film.
think it's, I mean, so Animal के टाइम पे लोग सब तो रणबीर की तारीफ कर रहे थे क्या जब मूवी आई थी तो?
Bro, Animal के time पे तो I think everybody went gaga over
Dude,
Ranbir,
yeah.
dude.
And especially
I
even
see a very
critiques of
similar-
the film.
I have experienced a very similar reaction to Dhurandhar as Animal got. I feel.
Oh no, bro. Animal was way more firstly divisive.
Yeah. Animal to
It was like a dude, and still today, Animal has a certain divisiveness when you talk about it. Like I don't know what the word is. It's like
Dhurandhar
there's an
के
aura.
लिए भी है divisiveness. It's not a universal acclaim throughout.
Dude, I think more. It's way more universal acclaim than Animal. That I'm seeing online. A lot of it.
मतलब हाँ, Animal का buzz was completely different than
Yeah.
what Dhurandhar का buzz is. And like you can
Yeah.
obviously credit it to the star power, credit to the Vanga coming back after Kabir Singh, the Vanga factor, etc. But then like a lot of people are also trying to relate it with the fact that people are trying to put Ranveer down when it comes because
But why is that?
I don't know.
Dude, there is like. see,
मैं आपको online sentiment बता रहा हूँ.
I think okay, there are multiple reasons why this happened.
Is
One
it
of- some of the
because-
reasons. Yeah, go ahead.
Is it because of the Kantara thing controversy that
Oh
happened?
no, so that's part of it.
That's part of it. Yes,
So
a lot of people
Ranveer-
are saying that's a part of it.
Ranveer hasn't been caught in public doing dumb shit like that. Okay, Ranveer, because of his more boisterous personality, his more outgoing seemingly
Yeah.
personality, he does a lot of put his foot in his mouth, dude, in certain ways. Like you remember that whole, I think Dil Dhadakne Do के time पे वो promotions कर रहे थे, and Ranveer was acting all weird in the interviews where this interviewer is they are both all standing. The interviewer is interviewing Anushka and Ranveer side by side. Ranveer is wearing that hat, and he's giving this bizarre answers which don't make sense at all. So
Like,
Is it-
have you seen Inception? This movie is like that.
ये बोला था क्या उसने?
वरुण ने बोला
ये वरुण ने बोला था.
For दिल वाले.
Yeah. No, not that. But I remember.
dumb interview moments है रणबीर कपूर के भी हैं कतरीना के साथ जब अजब प्रेम की गजब
Oh,
That's
bro,
fair.
अजब ने सब कहानी नहीं है, वो जग्गा जासूस है.
जग्गा जासूस
का है.
भाई, those
But those are
interviews,
iconic. dude.
iconic interviews,
dude.
dude. Iconic interviews. Like I remember this. Was
Can
like
you say one good thing about Ranveer?
bro?
It's like,
Fuck. And then he goes, can't find one good
Wow,
thing
you
about
can't
it.
find one, huh? You can't know
She's
one.
like, no, I'm trying. Okay, cut it, Kareena. It's fine.
Bro, I'm sorry. I just noticed your T-shirt.
Oh yeah, bro.
That's an awesome T-shirt, dude.
What is it?
Dude, that's awesome.
Oh, nice.
That's amazing, dude. Oh, what a great T-shirt. Sorry. कहाँ से ली?
Soul Store.
Amazing,
They've
dude.
launched this new Bollywood
Collection, in a
collection.
way.
I've got like 2-3 t-shirts. एक में ये लिखा है 25 में, एक में वो लिखा है मैं जेब में लेके थोड़ी घूमता हूँ.
Nice,
जो
nice.
5 करोड़ मांगता है, and तीसरे में मैंने वो लिया है. बिल्कुल रिस्क नहीं लेने का.
चलो, anyway, coming back to what is the matter at hand.
Yes.
So what is the conclusion, guys?
That
तो एक बार काउंट कर लेते हैं फिर रणबीर के कितने
भाई
कितने
क्या
bank
मस्त
करते
फैल
हैं.
जाते हैं ना अपन बीच में पॉडकास्ट.
हाँ,
तो एनिमल बैंगर
भाई मेरे को
संजू बैंगर यस फिर अपना
Sanju Banger sounds like a movie's name.
तमाशा बैंगर
संजू बैंगर साउंड्स लाइक अ संजू बायोपिक पार्ट 2.
Yeah.
तमाशा बैंगर
तो कितने हो गए?
3
हाँ, ओके 3.
एनिमल संजू तमाशा उसके बाद फिर हाँ बस इतनी है फिर बाकी तो
क्या?
हाँ तीन ही
और
है
पुराने बैच में से?
पुराने वाले में रॉकस्टार बैंगर बर्फी बैंगर
Rockstar Banger, Burfi Banger. That's it?
वेक अप सीट बैंगर
Wake Up Sit Banger. Okay, cool.
बस
तो 6 हैं अभी इसके पास.
सिर्फ
7 हुई ना.
नहीं, ये वाला नहीं किया ना.
हाँ, तो आपका क्या हो गया? बर्फी हो गया, रॉकस्टार हो गया, वेकअप सीट हो गया, संजू हो गया, तमाशा हो गया, एनिमल हो गया. दैट्स इट.
Yeah.
भाई
Yes.
वैसे सही बोलो तो हमने रणबीर कपूर हॉल ऑफ फेम में भी हम ऐसे ही हो गए थे कि
हाँ.
जग्गा जासूस को नहीं काउंट किया हमने बैंगर.
Count
ठीक है
किया?
कर लो
तो फिर
अरे
फिर 7. ठीक है 7. और रणवीर?
और रणवीर सिंह का है बैंड बाजा बारात
बैंड बाजा
बारात बैंड बजा बारात.
लुटेरा
लुटेरा.
रामलीला को किया था बैंगर
भाई करना अगर नहीं किया था तो हम चूते हैं.
बैंगर
हाँ. बाजी
दिल धड़कने दो बैंगर
Yes.
ओए
बाजीराव
उसको दिल धड़कने तो बैंगर किया तो फिर राजनीति भी तो बैंगर करना चाहिए अपने को.
हाँ, करेक्ट. But Dil Dhadkan is a
Bro,
banger.
Dil Dhadkan was a way bigger film than Rajniti.
I mean, that's debatable, bro, in a way.
मतलब
What are
भाई
you saying?
करारा जवाब मिलेगा तो नहीं
Yeah,
है ना
bro.
दिल धड़कन तो
राजनीति में
भाई।
लीड नहीं है भाई रणबीर कपूर. दिल धड़कन में लीड है रणबीर.
Okay,
भाई
sure.
रणबीर plays a very pivotal role in राजनीति, but चलो ठीक है, if you
But then who would you call the lead of that film? That is, he would be the lead.
It's
of
an
that
ensemble cast,
film,
but
with him being the lead.
in Rajniti,
Yeah.
I mean,
Right.
he's the younger.
But the story is a lot of it is from his perspective, what he's doing, what he's
like
Chalo,
he's
कर
the
लो.
one who's doing
डाल
all
दो.
the Katputli situation.
Yeah, so again, then so he has 8.
Seven.
Did you
No.
7 तो पहले थे. एक
हाँ 8 हाँ जग्गा जासूस काउंट कर गया बेटा.
तूने ये किया दिल धड़कन को काउंट किया रणबीर का?
हाँ
हाँ, कर दिया.
ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद बाजीराव
हाँ.
महंगर.
Yes, 5.
ब्रो एक सेकंड आपने रणवीर दोबारा से करो प्लीज.
ठीक.
बैंड बाजा बारात.
हाँ.
हाँ
लुटेरा.
Yes.
हाँ
दिल धड़कन दो.
हाँ
बाजीराव.
हाँ
रामलीला.
हाँ.
पद्मावत.
हाँ.
सिम्बा बैंगर किया था.
नहीं आप
नहीं।
लोग ने मना कर दिया था.
नहीं.
ठीक है. गली बॉय.
Yes. Whoa.
He's already reached 8.
7. He's at 7.
7.
रॉकी और रानी.
Yes.
And Dhurandhar.
धुरंधर.
पर इसका एनिमल नहीं किया आपने.
हाँ?
रणबीर का एनिमल किया.
हाँ एनिमल बोला था ना.
बोला था?
हाँ.
Oh, तो इसका 9 and versus 8. Not that far off. Ranveer's at 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 7, 9. Yeah. 9 versus 8, dude. Neck and neck,
We
man.
settled it. Ranveer Singh
Also,
has,
then, see,
more
Ranveer-
banger movies than Ranveer
And
Kapoor.
Ranveer has an
But then
all-time
Ranveer Kapoor has
blockbuster.
2 Ramayans coming up and 1 Love and
Yeah.
War coming up.
Yes.
Ranveer has a Dhurandhar coming.
Yeah.
Dhurandhar 2 coming up.
Ramayan seems set to be an all-time blockbuster as well.
Yeah.
And Love and War also could do very, very well business-wise. Animal is already an all-time
900
blockbuster.
CR dude, that's
That is-
crazy. That's
who's
crazy
gonna-
business.
How many
bro.
movies ever are gonna earn that? You know.
Yeah dude, 900 CR is crazy.
Ranveer doesn't seem like he has
And
something
Ranveer
that.
and by the way
promising.
Ranveer it's not only Animal Park भी आने वाली है.
Yeah,
और
yeah.
अब तो वो कह रहा है कि अब वो ट्रिलॉजी है. अब एनिमल किंगडम आएगा फिर उसके बाद. फिर उसके बाद अभी ब्रो हाँ Zoo.
Yeah. so
But
that-
Ranveer I think Dawn 3 भी आ जाएगी रणवीर की.
You think
really
we'll ever
hope-
see both of them in one movie?
हो जाएगा. I don't think
नहीं,
that.
I don't think. I
Bro
think
हो जाएगा. I don't think that's a far-fetched dream.
I think we'll see both of them and Deepika and Alia in one film. Karan Johar कुछ तो बनाएगा.
कुछ
comeback
होता है
के लिए.
too.
कुछ होता है too.
You know, I would really like to
कभी
see-
खुशी कभी गम too.
I would really like to see a movie with Vicky and Ranveer Singh also.
Why?
I like the thought of the both of them. Fantastic actors. They have both a more rugged kind of look sense compared to Ranveer. I think both of them would. Fit.
रणबीर तो is very नोना बच्चा.
Yeah.
Bro he is
वो
that.
ट्राई किया ना उसने शमशेरा में. और एनिमल में भी वो इतना वो नहीं है. रगड़ है एनिमल में.
भाई towards the
भाई
end
बेयर
चलो
बैक
ठीक है.
फाइट करता है यार एयरपोर्ट के टारमैक पे अबरार के साथ. क्या
मेरा
बात कर
भाई
रहे हो
बोल
तुम
नहीं
लोग?
सकता. मेरा भाई सुन नहीं सकता.
कहाँ खो गए भाई?
नहीं मैं बस यही explain कर रहा हूँ। भाई मेरी एनिवर्सरी की रात है ठीक है.
ठीक है भाई ठीक है.
We get it,
We'll
we
let
get
you
it,
go.
we get it. But do we come to the fact कि वो लोग ने off screen कैसे हैं क्या है? Do we?
थोड़ा सा हमने
I mean, we
मेंशन करा
should.
ना.
So-
I mean हाँ go ahead.
I think Ranveer again is way more fun.
Ranveer has done a lot more like उसने पूरा reality show host किया है.
Host किया है,
Game
हाँ.
show.
That's true,
The
that's
big
true.
picture.
ज़्यादा चला नहीं ना पर.
चला नहीं वो तो चलो 5 ही पास से तेज़े भी नहीं चला.
Yeah, but he did try his hand at that. And also, dude, like, I feel like, for instance, his appearances on Coffee with Karan, I find them to be more fun than Ranveer's appearances on Coffee with Karan.
Do you think रणवीर सिंह की कॉफी विद करण अपीयरेंस ज्यादा फनी है या रणबीर कपूर का वो AIB वाला पॉडकास्ट ज्यादा फनी है?
Oh, the AIB interview to look out for is the SRK one, not the Ranveer one.
मतलब
Ranveer is the
रणबीर was
second.
also
was
trying
all
to
right.
be.
Okay यार.
It was okay only, exactly. It wasn't crazy good.
It's the most like casual and cozy
Candid,
I've seen
yeah.
him in any interview, but still it's
He did this one 2.5 hour conversation with
Nikhil Kamath.
Nikhil Kamath
That was
also.
very tiring, dude.
Bro, that was very boring.
Yeah,
also.
man. That's what.
Fuck. But but I think that's what the Ranveer persona is also.
yeah, I
no?
think he's very controlled and
Okay, he's
you
not
know.
trying to give the crazy answer. This will go
Yeah.
viral.
But when he does, we see now what happens.
But he's not
with
trying to-
Katrina.
Yeah, that's true. But he's not trying to, right? He's just
मतलब I
coming
think he's very
Very real.
intelligently found his place कि
नहीं,
हाँ
उसके
भाई
साथ 2-3 चीज हुई यार, वो बीफ वाला जो हो गया था उसके साथ interview
I'm a
में,
big
तो
beef
बोला,
guy,
हाँ,
I'm a big
Yeah,
beef
तो 2-3 चीज उसके साथ ऐसी
Wipe it
हुई
off भी
कि-
एक इतना बड़ा उसका scam था यार.
हाँ, now he's
कौन सा?
very
Wipe it off.
wipe it off या
I don't know तो
एक वो
पर वो
वॉल्यूम
तो वो I mean उसकी गलती है, but उसकी गलती नहीं होती, उसकी बीवी ने
Correct.
बोल दिया।
वॉल्यूम वाला भी तो था वेयर आलिया वाज लाइक कि घर पे बात लाइक वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू शाउट कोई बात होती तो रणबीर इज लाइक कि आलिया वॉल्यूम इतनी ही आवाज में बात
हाँ.
करो समथिंग लाइक दैट
He's like, yeah, चिल्लाओ मत, सुनाई देता है मेरे को.
बहरा नहीं हूँ
बहरा नहीं हूँ मैं.
ब्रो
सुनाई दे रहा है, बहरा नहीं हूँ मैं.
आई थिंक इन दो कंट्रोवर्सीज के बाद मैंने एक मीम देखा था वेयर लाइक आई थिंक रणबीर एंड आलिया वाज स्टैंडिंग एक नेक्स्ट टू लाइक अरे मैं कुछ करता नहीं हूँ तो तू जाके कुछ बोल के क्या
हाँ,
जाती है लोग मेरे पीछे पड़े
Correct, dude. Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor situation is the same thing that Akash Singh is going through
Oh,
in the
wow.
international comedy world.
I don't know what that situation
We
is.
talked about it.
अरे वही
That
आकाश सिंह
comedian-
वाला यार,
Oh,
flagrant.
अच्छा. Hey, bro, that's not at
Yeah,
all.
That's
It
not
is
at all.
literally what it is.
Please.
That one is almost.
Alia is
I
not
think
going
also-
around saying she used to pop her pussy.
That's
Yeah, that's what his wife said. No,
That's what Akash's wife said.
Akash's wife said.
Yeah.
I miss popping my pussy.
Swiftly moving past this.
I mean,
तो ऐसा
and
एक्ट
pussy-
करता है जैसे दूध से धुला हुआ
and
है।
that'll
अरे मैं
get
दूध
big-
से धुला हुआ नहीं होऊंगा बट मैं
बोल
ये
रहा
सब
हूँ,
नहीं
आलिया
बोलता.
ने नहीं बोला वो।
अच्छा अच्छा हाँ.
ये सब नहीं करता है.
So yeah, that was our assessment of the two biggest superstars in Hindi cinema right now, Ranbir and Ranveer.
Ranveer is winning by a close
slightly.
margin.
मतलब
But-
अगर समरी करें तो रणवीर की बेटर फिल्म ज्यादा बैंगर फिल्म्स हैं रणबीर से बट टू बी फेयर हमने काफी क्लोज कॉल्स वाली फिल्म्स नहीं पिक करी हैं जैसे कि ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
ठीक है तो दैट इज वन अ लिटिल ऐसा वो बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू सॉन्ग्स आई थिंक रणबीर हैज अ बेटर
Sure, yeah.
And in terms of
Discography.
But then
just
why are we
box
giving
office
that
also.
credit to Ranveer? It's to the music composers who have composed the music.
That's fair. But I think the
ऐसे तो
actor
पिक्चर
matters.
में भी तो मतलब है तो आप बोल सकते हो ना
अरे पर
डायरेक्टर ने
उसमें तो
बनाया
फिर भी डायलॉग बोल रहा है, ड्रेस पहन रहा है, जो भी कर रहा है,
लिपसिंग कर रहा है ऐसा नसें निकल
लिप
रही
सिंक
Dude,
कर रहा
but
है।
yes, that does matter. The hero
अच्छा
does
गाना
matter.
अभी आपने देखा नहीं तू मेरी मैं तेरा तू मेरी में क्या हो रहा है लिपसिंग के साथ
क्या हो रहा
नहीं देखा ओ
हम दोनों
हाँ वो लोग बीच में भूल जा रहे हैं लिपसिंग करना ये करनी थी
है? But no matter what your opinion is, one thing doesn't change is that Ranbir Kapoor is a nepo baby and Ranveer Singh is not. So
I mean, they're both extremely well privileged
I know,
families.
yeah, true.
मतलब you cannot forget the fact when Ranbir was like कि we were going through a very tough phase हम सिर्फ US जा
Yeah,
पाते थे अपनी वेकेशन के लिए क्योंकि वहाँ पे हमारे रिश्तेदार रहते थे ऐसा नहीं है कि हम US भी होटल अफोर्ड कर सकते थे हमारे रिश्तेदार रहते थे उधर
Ranveer Singh US में Starbucks में काम करता था. So you can see the struggle of both
Dude,
these
but
people.
also, by the way, they have tried to sell this narrative that Ranveer is a complete outsider,
Yeah,
but he's
it's
not.
He's not.
He's actually like some
Cousin
cousin of
है,
Anil
हाँ.
Kapoor family, dude.
ओ अनिल कपूर family
Yeah,
वाले
yeah,
वाले।
Anil Kapoor family.
Nice.
का कुछ तो है, कुछ तो भगना नहीं.
यार सब ऑलमोस्ट थोड़े मोड़े
हाँ, सब साले privilege.
बस एक ही थाली के चट्टे वट्टे.
हाँ, एक ही
बस
थाली के
एक ही
चट्टे।
आउटसाइडर है
सब
शाहरुख
साले
बस
जुहू
शाहरुख।
बांद्रा में रहने वाले खाने वाले। हाँ, सिर्फ एक ही शाहरुख है।
एक
Anyway,
ही
आप-
शाहरुख तो एक ही है
हाँ, आपको कौन पसंद है इन दोनों में से हमको बताइए कमेंट्स
बताइए।
में और आपकी कौन सी फिल्में एनी बैंगर्स दैट वी हैव मिस्ड दैट यू थिंक वी शुड हैव इंक्लूडेड एज बैंगर्स प्लीज लेट अस नो एंड
Please subscribe to the channel.
subscribe to the channel, please get the memberships.
Memberships.
You get free tickets to go for
Yes.
movies from our end.
Next announcement coming soon for the
and
next
you
week.
also get bonus episodes which we will get around to recording very soon.
No,
Yeah.
we've recorded one, which is a pretty great one coming
Yes.
to you
हाँ अभी
soon.
आने वाला है वो भी
Yes. I mean, it's,
इस एपिसोड रिलीज होने तक हो सकता है आ भी गया हो
chalo, let's give them hope.
And from my end, please follow me on Instagram at AbbasMomin88 and check out the other channel that I host a podcast on called The Comment Section, and follow my YouTube channel as well called Abbas Momin. What about you, Antriksh?
क्या था वो कौन सा विद अब्बास
कौन सा कॉफी विद अब्बास?
नहीं वो आपने अपना पॉडकास्ट कौन सा
हाँ हाँ वो है यार.
क्या नाम था
According to
उसका
Abbas.
अकॉर्डिंग टू
Yeah.
अब्बास हाँ
Yeah. By the time this episode comes out, I think I would have dropped my Khamba Was a Style episode of that filming game show,
Ooh, nice.
which I'm
Big
a little nervous
one.
about.
Why?
Okay, because I know the episode is a banger, but I completely bombed with that audience that day. So I'm
Oh,
trying
then
to.
it will be a good episode.
Yeah, exactly.
That's fine,
so
bro,
the thing is,
that's
I'm
fine.
trying to cut around it in a certain way because I want the episode to be amazing. Because I know it can be like it can do really good numbers, so I don't want to be the reason that it does not do well.
It's fine, bro.
So I'm
That's
hoping. Please support me for that when it comes out, and look for that when it's out.
Yeah, anything from your end?
That's pretty much it, guys. Please do
Yeah.
hit the subscribe button because subscribers नहीं बढ़ रहे यार कुछ
हाँ,
टाइम
बढ़ाओ यार.
प्लीज यार 200
Please hype this video, please hype दबाओ अभी दबाओ.
फैमिली व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर करो, बोलो इन लोगों को सब्सक्राइब करो.
हाँ
और,
बट उनको फिर पिछला वाला एपिसोड मत दिखाना.
And we'll be back very soon. We're going to do a year-end episode, which is the best and worst of 2025.
Yes, and our special awards.
Our special awards, we'll be giving them out. So look out for that. Till then, bye-bye. See you very soon.
वो क्या था? Take care of, do whatever you want, but don't trouble your माता पिता
and Bharat Mata ki jai. And Bharat Mata ki jai, he says.
नहीं and भारत माता.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
No, Mata Pita and Bharat Mata ki jai.
नहीं, don't trouble your माता पिता and भारत माता.
I know, but that would have
This
been
is why
the ideal
Abhinav
line.
Kashyap has problems with that family.
All right, bye bye.